Ready? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? If it's the first time watching this channel, do subscribe, right? And this is part 2 for my girlfriend mother. Yeah. So hope you enjoy this as we go along. So do remember that I start doing advertisement. So if you have a company that you want me to highlight so people can know about it, it does work, you know what I mean? So alright, so let's go. And this is one of my clients. Please support her, you know what I mean? She's in Florida region in USA. She's a real estate agent. Alright, let's go to her. Yeah, and if you're in the Florida area in America, anywhere in America, sell or buy house or anything like that, this lady is a lady that deal with that, you know, so I like for you to get in touch with her. Check out our website, you know what I mean? Because so we have to encourage each other. So if you want a house to buy or sell, I think say the best person for you to talk to, you know what I mean? Elliot, Hyacinth Elliot, you know what I mean? Yeah man, tell her it's me send you, you know what I mean? Contact her. Our number is there too, you can call her and talk to her, you know what I mean? And go up on our website and all these things, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Curious King. Respect to every mother in the world. Every mother mean a lot.
Ooh, yeah.
You love your mother? Guess what? Mommy.
I've been through the worst to give you the best.
Listen.
Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try, there's still no happiness.
Rock on my baby and go to your bed. Mommy have a touch road and unfed the bread. If you're signed to the green, then your life will be red. No daddy around and kids have a fed. But mommy do for you. Burn up in the sun, bleach in the night too. If you sleep with a man, we don't say I do. Poverty is catching it worse than flu. Kids, I hope you know what exactly your mom is going through. What she's going through is more than me, more than you. Tell them again, mommy.
I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try, there's still no happiness.
Every day me wake up pray for Jamaica. Create to the creator. One life for greater. It's so disappointing, the things them that the system highlighting. Single mama does try, and the system still fighting. This is the land of wood and water, but no future for the sons and the daughter.
Come over, girl, now we do it the way there.
Yeah,
We do it the way there. Alright.
Of music.
The body for the done.
Okay, let's make some things though, because if you hear things that work out, let's make some things. So what the good for now say techniques still, if you're a young girl, you have your own local place, you know what I mean? There's a good vibration still. You know what I mean? But I can't tell what exactly going on in my past relationship, but it was so nice. But anyway, we're there now. So, what about your past relationship?
See, that's why you don't want to talk about yours, but I don't want to talk about mine. Come on, my worst.
Well, that is it though. Alright, so, we're going to eat tonight. Maybe you want to cook? Cook some dumpling or something, man. We buy some things in our bag in there. Cook some dumpling, colored one or something there. Me did a fake because I love meat and things, so. Because I got to work later. A good thing to start work. So you don't have to worry about nothing. You pay the bills them and everything because you're a player same way. And you pay, you don't have to worry about nothing. You understand? You're good, man. Alright, I'm going to go to rest because I tell you. You're young but you're active, man. You beat me up, you're tired.
The girl right now from the
Get some fish and some tomato.
They call it tomato.
Tomato. You know how it's pronounced?
How do they pronounce it?
Yeah. It's not tomato. I don't know who said tomato. It's tomato. Alright, Pops. Let me see what they are. So. Light one. Oh, a slide.
Yes, right.
Okay. Oh, you see, I tell you, your mother get too much, she remember for the things no more. Oh. Alright, the fish now. The sour fish. You want the fritters, right?
If we can't get them, you don't want onion. If onion.
Yeah, we don't know onion of the yard. Lord God, when the fluxy, man. When the fluxy. That should be good. And the fish now. You have black pepper, right?
Black pepper, I don't think so.
A black pepper not there?
I don't think so. Can I get season?
You know what? Yeah. I got pepper, yeah. I got pepper crops. I'm a black pepper, no. We get some, get one country pepper.
Okay, come on.
We get the saltfish now. We get the saltfish.
I don't really like no beef chopping because I remember so we have certain things I had already.
No, we just want something to make little breakfast. That's all. The pepper. But the pepper supposed to, if the onions over there, the pepper supposed to over there.
Come on, the pepper sauce is probably there.
No pepper sauce there, but whole pepper.
Country pepper.
Country pepper.
Right?
Alright, ready? Alright, since we not get the black pepper, get country pepper. Country pepper can go in it. Country pepper. Alright, so country pepper is supposed to be here because there is garlic, there is ginger, onion, no country pepper.
If you didn't get here, so probably have to get it like in a town where they sell something there.
Alright, so alright then we do that then. Let's get the salt.
Stop it like
What on bud?
Go on, brown and forward.
What?
Looks nice, you know.
Thanks.
Don't worry yourself, I'm in one of the plant, man. The whole life plant after me.
Alright, you want to stop there?
Look, this is a vehicle over there for me.
I want it.
The one that I'm mine, because the people to drive it. So you say, thing.
You know, so when they don't come boy robot to live with him mother.
Yeah, listen to that, man. You don't want a real man, you don't want to drive your own car.
Yeah, but a long time you in there, I don't really like him, so.
So where you going?
I should pass up, man.
Oh, okay, yeah, me to the phone place. Up the sound and get phone place.
Answer this. Listen. You want to live a bigger life or you want to live a smaller life?
The most big life I want to live, so you want me to do? Let me man know walk on there with them.
What do you mean? Alright, come show you my favorite part of my own class.
Where that thing?
Just follow me, man. You feel good, you look good. Yeah, man. Alright.
Ready,
Right,
steady,
that's
go.
alright.
Oh shoot, they move man.
I have to place it there.
Yeah, right or so, they move.
So that feel it upstairs.
Yeah, after the arrow select that way. So they move, they're
Alright.
upstairs.
Or check upstairs.
Yeah, check upstairs. Oh,
Can't stay right there if you don't manage to do walk.
you want the walking good baby, good
No man, you
exercise.
can't stay at someone. We don't want to
You sure?
Yeah man.
Alright, go on and come. But I still
Browning. How I go on there, sir?
B.
So, no, be me. This is really I do.
No, my son. I'm a friend.
Friend, no, how come stuff?
Hey, come.
Yeah, you wanna? You done here? You done?
No, be where me in the
No,
mother-in-law.
No bother with it.
No, man, me need to bother one.
I want to go on there, son.
I'm a friend.
Friend,
done.
B-O-N-E. Come on, man. I don't want to listen to my boy. My boy, I'm good.
Come on.
I'm mama's boy, this guy has a boy.
Which mama's boy? We are talking about mama's boy.
I'm mama's boy.
No, my way you saying? My way you saying?
No me, mama, no me. That's
My way you saying?
If you, me think it is good. You're a wicked. Come on.
No. Listen, let me catch up. Let me catch you.
No, she not
Close.
come up.
Yo.
Come on. She good.
I want to know how she.
Come on.
Offense, man. Go over yourself.
sexy. Alright. Talk one talk, we can't talk to you in a free start in our country.
Is there a problem, sir?
No boyfriend.
Yes, me have a man. Yes, me have a man. Ah, look here. I'm not into no young boy here. A big man my team there now. No, if I know a man named Fire, I'm me and him a deal. And my man that. Only young boy not nothing give me right now.
But mama, listen. That's a simple thing. If you have a man named Fire, my name is Mr. Water. I will out fire.
So you're
You
joking,
know, no, me I tell you, I'm me own the plant that they over the same. It's called the park here. I'm me own it. I call it right now. If you have a taxi way to park in there, mama.
So how money bag this?
Yeah! Relax, man. Not because me at 25. Me still old enough for you, man. Relax, look. When I look old to you.
You know, yeah. But look here, I'm not me talking. You have money, not true.
Yeah, man.
So give me your money now.
No to them, no.
So what you say, I collect, you collect.
No,
You know
man.
what?
I have to go to
Yeah, wait a time later, bye. Let me leave, not you.
I saw Jamaica run now. Money deal with things. I want some breed less money.
Wow. Look for my ex. I saw them look broke down. When I go out this song, so nice that I know.
I pay them like a downgrade people in the mind.
She don't work with time.
No,
I
she
talk
don't-
to you look.
Exactly. She go and shower. She have a book or
Rangel. I'm a Rangel.
Come on. Hold on a second. The popcorn, man. The popcorn. Alright, so we'll go inside and do the job done. That's a little bit in your cold pot. Well, I'm glad you man let go.
So you want to have a relationship?
Well, I did something wrong and that's up on the run. You know what I mean? So, no, that was. No, but I never. I really, what I didn't tell though. She didn't want a good day to start out.
Oh, but then it's
You see my talk, you know?
yeah. Popcorn. Yeah, me check that.
Check for yourself for that.
Stop the wrong. People don't see that. America will have festive vibe. Ooh, it smells nice. One pack, yeah?
But don't fix the lights over like you see, can I try to work as a man in the house now, more fix them things there. Any other thing on the house to fix?
It's like it's working, but all thing you need a bulb. So I can't reach up there, so I'm not going to let them know how to go.
Alright. We make a climb and buy one bottle couple games.
You can put in bulb, you know, suffering.
Me climb for your hand then.
No, you can't. But I'm not kind of spray. You just spray.
I'm right, you can't one hand so you're strong, you know.
Oh, Chan. I'm not so strong, but I'm not so strong.
Alright, this is very tough. You can't be on the leather still.
Oh, you can popcorn.
Over it now.
This one finish around. It's a pop fast. So I make a little bad.
Alright. Like look up place here but you know. Great. Small
And it's nice.
and neat. Just like a young.
That's right.
I tell you. And go over there. It means I pass the value like popcorn.
Alright. Thank you, Bono, because me that she went for the second.
I'm gonna say. Because I told them last night, just to try first time I do something. We'll go overdo it. Overdo it. So we can't feel my sister G and all.
Well, that's really good.
Alright. Oh, it's much more than I did.
Popcorn, Bono.
Oh, where's that everything on? Oh my god.
What is it?
Microwave there. What's wrong with it?
But I say, it's the microwave.
Oh, where put the pan? Put the pan popcorn or whatever?
So, they are warming up. If I have popcorn, I just press something.
I should have put pan popcorn. I should have put pan popcorn and you pop now go bottom. Alright, look at that still.
What do I eat? What's the deal? You want some?
No, another. What got you when I need them? You get to eat popcorn here. We took up on the road today, no? But we're in a park. Alright. Hold on, short.
Alright.
That's how I'm going to catch you on the things and say, what bother you? What's going on? Come on, talk to me. You know you can talk to me. Talk to me. What's going on?
No, I talk about you.
No, but you have to tell me. You have to talk to me. I'm your mother. If you can't talk to me, who you going to talk to?
I mean, this really bother me.
What
this
is it?
really hurts.
What is it? Me don't know what you have to tell me. If you don't tell me, I'm not a mind reader. What's going on? Come sit over here, sir. Come sit beside me. Come sit beside mommy. Get up. Come sit beside your mother. Sit down. What bother you? I mean, notice from the day I see your face long. I know you come in here, fold the clothes them. You just have thrown on things like you want to mash up everything in you. What's going on?
You got my wallet.
Ready?
Oh yeah, bro.
Me come and work with you.
You didn't tell me say I come around.
So wait, let me have to tell us me come and work with you. Oh, I have a woman working on want me see.
My work is not a work like where you feel.
But me, so why me come with a man a day?
Hey!
What's wrong with that?
Come on, come on.
You say about woman work because
You know, see what accuse me now. Come on, see what accuse me.
Let me
on.
come then, since I want to listen.
Mommy,
What?
you tell me to pick the nice brown girl, right? The
Yeah,
silent one.
yeah.
And then look what she do to me now in a town with man a hug up. Mommy, you tell me to pick this brown girl, cause you tell me that she's silent. And that she like and she not hurt me and things. And then look what she do now, mommy. Look what she do. We going at town this morning, me know you see it too. And she a hug up man in front of my face and then I tell me say, and I'm not like when I think. I show me I know I'm a violent person. You don't even know what you're running my mind right now.
That really messed up, still, yes, it messed up. But you know what, the dark skin one, we have to go really see her and talk to her because it seems like she has some kind of family problem. Maybe that's the reason why she act like that. You understand? Me judge her wrongly. You understand? Me judge her wrongly. And because this one quiet and me I say, you know, she seems more quiet and more decent because, you understand me?
Me give her my all, mommy. There's nothing what me not do. And then you tell me to.
Yes, I
because
do.
me did rate the black one. And you tell me, say, Joshua, that one is silent. She's an innocent girl. She not do anything. Me just feel if you just see her right now, that's what I'm strangle her.
No, nobody do that. That don't make no sense because then you're going to end up in a jail and I can't take that right now. We won't be able to do it. I'm sorry. I must apologize to you and say, tell you I'm sorry. Because you did bring the black one and me tell you no because the way she act. Then another thing again too, she tell me say she not live with her parents. She's so young. Why she move with her parents so young?
When me say, mommy, why she a play with me love like that? I mean, I hurt her.
Well, to be truthful, you know, I know man alone lie, no woman lie too. It's a very versatile thing. Man lie, woman lie. Because your father was a big natural lie. Look what he did to me. Huh? Look what my father did to me. And from me 18 years old, you know. From me 18, me on the father there. I never take another man in my life. He was the first man for me. And look what he did to me. Give me 2 picnic and run, gone left me. Never come back. We not even know spot him there if he dead or in living. So people just do some stupid things sometimes. Why? I don't know. I don't know why people so stupid and do dumb things. This is really wrong. You want me to talk to her?
Me no.
Alright, so we'll leave that alone. So you know what? The best thing I think you should do, go over your sister and talk to her. Go to Shelly, go over Shelly. And sit down and reason with Shelly. You know how young people, maybe she have a, you know, better advice than me. You understand? She can talk to you and tell you what to do.
Alright, I'll go over them.
But for now, I want you to calm down. I don't want you to stay out the street and go do or nothing and then get yourself in trouble. Because that don't make no sense. Don't bother to get lawyer and all them something if you go bail you and blah blah. Make sure go on. Make sure go on. She go meet her Waterloo. Make sure go on. Today for you, tomorrow for me. That's how life go. And karma is a bitch. Karma is a bitch. Anything you do to people, it come back. It might not come back right away, but it come back. It have a way to come back and bite you in the ass and it bite hot. You understand? Don't worry about it. I know say hot, but don't worry about it. Just like how I can get over my father, you can get for this red natter, or whatever you want to call her, natter girl. Ready, boy?
Maybe you're right, but I'm going to go over sister.
Alright. No, but that's stay too long, you know.
Yes, son.
Alright. What a chaos.
As I go through some rough times, isn't it, sis? As I'm father over here, I say me I want to reason with it.
What kind of rough time now? What happened to you now?
So you know, for this morning, sis, me and mommy go down in the town. We get some things at supermarket. Isn't it? And me I go upstairs to go fix my phone. By a phone shop. Isn't it? But me never did remember say they move the place around downstairs and it gone upstairs. When me grow on the step, now my girlfriend me sit with one man hug up and I come tell me say Anna like how me think. And I love this girl, me never hurt her. I give her my heart. I respect her to the max. And she has style me the way. And her mommy tell me, you know, say you see the brown one there, the one them who I have to talk to. Cause she looks silent. And then look now.
Our mommy, she should have known better, you know. So mommy knows the silent river run deep. But don't worry yourself about that. Just calm yourself. Because that happens every day. And not only you alone happen to whole heap of man and woman too. So don't worry yourself about that. Just take half your mind for now. You must get find one different woman. And rely on.
Sis, me understand what you're saying. But you have to understand, say, I love her. You see me? And that's what she do, he never call for. Because me never hurt her yet. You see me? When mommy tell me say, me fi choose her, and like me did run gone to another one. Me choose one of them. You see me? And me think things that are good. Ain't I look for this something. You know, she don't even know say, but you know, come on still, you know? Just time.
Just one of them days. You think that happened? You see man come from foreign, come file for 5 people. You see when you check you out, not one of them are not feel. So that not happen. Next year, look what fire do to me. And look for me take time and move on for me. See me now hold no grudge against nobody. So just let that go, man.
I surely would tell Joshua I'm pregnant. You know, let me call her.
Sister, you know, say really strong though. Because, you see, if I did all my girlfriend go do that with all my father, I don't know how I'm going to cope with that still, you know. You see me? God no, but that must mad. Yeah, then girl are wicked and them man are wicked and man. God no.
Speaking of mommy, you know. Hold on.
Shirley,
Yes, mom.
no, but I tell Joshua nothing, you know. What do you mean? Say I'm pregnant. Don't do that.
You said me now go do it. Yeah, man, me hold on to it, man.
That's between you and I. Because I'm come over, I'm come over, come talk to you. Alright?
Yeah, in there. It's just a reason about something, man. Alright, later.
Alright. Later. Bye.
Oh, mommy, I said, I should come over now.
Not really, they just asked me if I come over here. Because Tuesday left out there.
What? Same thing we tell you. I know it's not a place like that. So wait your to come back though. Because you have to wait for you to come back up.
You don't know the reason I come back up, right? Here, you see the same man we call a cameraman? That man did that look me. And he even did that style that about how you don't have no sense here, this or that. I one bag of something about how you name fire and can out you. Actually, I don't even know where my chat about you. When time I look me, I don't want him.
What me I say now, I never know them thing there. You tell me some man I look you down night on. I said man,
I hear me attack.
I say that say one random man I looking at her boy my water and then he hold me and one bag. But you know, me know say indirectly. Him know say one if he know say you're my woman.
He know can me tell him.
Alright. The man sure say you?
He man know because me tell him say me here there.
Must say you know. Can't him see
Hey
how
man say
I
you idiot.
Alright. Oh you are going.
So you do call him?
What call him?
Do that then, you can like one nobody.
Sorry.
Christian man, don't like him.
Camera General, what go on? Yo, a while ago me came my girlfriend down there a while ago. You know her? Yeah, we came come a while ago down there and shoot a while ago. You know her? Huh? Yeah man, I'm a woman for a long time, daddy. Not really long time, for one day. For one day, me and I just started. He say, you know her, yes or no?
You know who?
Where you know her from?
You too lie, you tell more. I find any me can't out that I want because don't tell a lie, lie man. Me come back to my workplace now, don't tell no lie, I'm not telling a lie for you, sir.
Alright, cameraman. Now, if I know I'm your dose of my woman. Because you know, you have no Rasta man who call himself fire. But this is one, yeah, man. No, we're not pick up female. No, we're not talking himself. I'm going to do. You say, see, you're attractive and you look good. So, you have look good, girl.
But he said something about him at this year.
You can't diss me, man. This fire.
But I didn't name fire.
I don't mean no name fire.
But I didn't. No, at this a fire, especially at this a fire, natural.
You say no, no, Sammy.
Someone wicked and
you say no, Sammy. Alright then, fire. Yo, get yourself ready because we want 2 more things to show. Yeah? Alright.
One. Because you're going to pick up for your.
No, pick up for you.
Yeah, pick up your cameraman. Alright, put him over me. Go on.
I'm not about that. Listen.
I
need you. Are you a pay look great or something?
Whatever.
Money. So you see right now, him is the only one who can shoot. No.
I'm not going to have hand and foot.
No.
I can't shoot.
You can't shoot yet. Mom, you can learn to shoot.
Me can't learn from.
No, go fire him. Watch us.
Then fire him for now.
No, we can't fire him today. Because our project is done. After this project, yeah, I'm going to start work with me.
What you got? Go on, Mr. Pico, can you check him out like a friend of him?
Later, I'm coming.
Yeah, bye.
Later.
What's Bix?
But sis, a while ago before the phone ring, you just said something about mommy. What you just say about mommy?
Oh, you know, so mommy is a lucky person. She almost win a lot of the liquor, you know.
What mommy never tell me nothing about that though?
That's for a long time sitting, man.
Anyways, I can go over now and say mommy and deal with this, but thanks for your time, sis.
Yeah, man. So you eat already?
Yeah, man, I eat already.
Oh, alright then. No, I'm alright.
Alright. Respect for listening and sit down and hear me and question, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
I'm here for love you because you're always there for me.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
Alright, just stay strong, say the thing then, you hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Awo.
Mommy.
Sherry?
Yeah.
Welcome. I want you out there.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Come here now.
Joshua.
Man, sure.
Get on your phone as usual.
I'm on the phone now.
Am I not?
I don't know how to get me.
I'm some of James, man. Yeah, I'm also.
Is mommy ready? You can call me now.
Ready for going?
No, we're not gonna. No, man.
Ready for going.
You know, some me left my phone up on Mr. James. Let me your phone. Make a phone call. Make up. Walk back up later, feed. If you're writing up on the count, you just remember to know. I'm packing nobody.
You ever go for Mr. James and Mr. James and come down?
I can't go for mommy phone and come back, you know. You know, for me, I just can't go for him, man.
Yeah, every time when I love him and work.
I don't come back and buy something, go on.
Now go back.
What you choose something?
I'll call him now. Fire.
Puppy not supposed to hear what we are calling. Call him now, mommy.
I'm gone?
Got him.
Alright. Phone a ring. Fire. We want you to come over the house now. We need to talk. In the next 5 minutes? Alright. Okay, I'm waiting. Alright. Bye. I think I'll come in the next 5 minutes over there. Who is it?
You know what's fire?
Oh!
Come on.
I don't expect you to come so quick. Think you're like later on.
No, you tell him on 5 minutes.
Yeah, I did tell her 5 minutes, that's true.
Yeah, need time, some else. No.
No, come.
No,
No,
me not touching you.
This is very important. We have to talk. Come.
Not touching you.
Sit down.
You don't know you're run for. Watch here.
No, you're not to do all of that.
You know, trouble you.
Sit down. I will never sit down.
Have to sit down?
Yeah, sit down because it's very important. And me not telling you where to start because right now, to be truthful to you.
Alright, well, I'm going to talk to you from when I would like to apologize for
Don't
what.
want it. Don't want it.
You're not a good boy.
Yeah, I'm a pitting still. But
What we did was good and bad. Bad for my relationship with my woman. No, my ex now because she's done with me.
I'm good for.
But good for nothing. It wasn't good for me.
I'm not lie, I may get you involved in it and I feel really bad. Not because she's my daughter, but I don't want to see the tone to break up. You know why? Because it's after me.
Mommy.
I'm seducing me now.
Let that.
No, the truth or the truth.
Let that. You call me, you have to tell him something important, right?
Yeah, I try my best. I try my best reaching out to her to talk to her, but she not talk to me. So if you talk to her now and she accept me, I would come back home to her still and take care of her. But she not understand. Say it's hard for a man to say no.
It is.
It's very hard for a man to say no.
It is. That's the truth.
And your mom was very persuasive. She don't give me no time to think about nothing at all. She does take what she wants.
You could answer no.
No, actually, it was rape.
You could answer no.
It's
It's
rape.
not no rape.
It's rape.
You call him and he come and I no rape. You could answer no. I'm a mother.
Well,
you could have.
When she called, said she have something to fix. I never know what particular she want to get fixed.
I never explained to
She never explained.
I did not.
So by the time I come to look for something to fix, she fixed my business long time and know what she want.
Anyway.
So,
I have to talk
about.
No.
You think of that like we'll get back together since we see Tony here. What is it? No.
Boy, call if you tell us, I am pregnant.
Look how long we work on. Look at baby. Look how long.
No.
Look how long we work on. We really want
I
a baby.
am. That's not all.
And it never did happen. Long time when I get pregnant. You know, look how long we work on that.
Nobody with it. Next day again, mommy pregnant too.
For who?
Not for you.
What?
Joshua.
Am I right? Get some water with him.
Wait, so you never gone?
No, in this eavesdrop call in the school.
I've been through the worst to give you the best.
Listen.
Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try.
That one shot me a while ago for real. But what me answer though, I've learned in life you can expect the unexpected. I never expect this. You know what I mean? I always want a youth still, but two youth one time, mother and daughter, it's very tricky. My general, no say a word. Okay, same thing happen to man can happen to men. You end up in a situation when I lead them to. And I really, when I feel no way, you know, I'm not doing you directly, but while I was there and I see him room and now. You see me shock a while ago and you drop down to me here too, so. Yeah, I go man now, this is too much way. One time, I just take my time, coping it, but we have to go sit down and figure out a way forward.
Me not sit down and figure it out.
Because the carrying the youth is a must, it's not you know what I mean?
Let me tell you something. Me only want know say me tell you. So when you put the boy and take care of him or her, but me know you have nothing to do with me. I don't understand that.
Me tell you, I apologize already. What more can I do more than apologize?
You have to give him a second chance because it's not his fault.
On my fault.
And a film fault.
You
Take care
invite
of
me
yourself.
you invite me in the family.
Sit down.
You invite me in the
Sit down.
family. And now look what you deal with me. Are you invite me in?
Yes, as my man, not as my mother man.
No, I'm your man, not your mother man.
No, you used to be my man.
I'm an ex then. So but I was
I have ex.
one thing I do, I stick to the me no go out a road. If me go out a road or no, I didn't go out a road. It's just accidentally I get led into
All that accident.
ask mommy.
You have to
never
give
plan
us.
for it.
You have to give
Mommy?
him a second. You have to
Mommy?
give. Hold on 1 second. Me a talk now. Me a the mother
The
inside.
mother is older, make you talk and tell you.
You have to give him a second chance. You have to remember son of him fault. You understand? And at least the man come and him apologize. At least you can give
a
him a
thousand
break.
times I apologize.
Yes,
a thousand
what you want him
times.
to do?
So?
People make mistakes, Shelly.
I make a
Shelly, look what your
mistake.
father do.
Let me ask you something.
Shelly, look what your father do. Look what your father do, Shelly. It's a man too. It's a man, you know. Look what your father do.
I'm just a man too. I'm just a man.
He's just a man.
I'm just
Forgive
a man.
him.
Forgive
You want to
him.
raise a baby by yourself like come and
Yes.
raise your bread. No.
Yes.
It's not gonna work, Shelly.
You do
No.
it so me can do it too. And next thing again, you should have tell me about how me give him no second chance.
Yes,
Me
give him
go
a
give
second.
second chance and I same thing in the
He not
over
gonna
and
do
over
it
again.
again. He not
Nah,
gonna
I'm gonna do it again.
Yes, if I
Nah,
did,
do it again.
Him learn by mistake.
Learn
and
from
him
the mistake.
realize he make a mistake.
you see, if I did mistake, he would repeat it over and over because I first must sleep with you. You get wait a little while, after the first time he call you and tell you to fix something. And look how long that. And you've been coming over here and come and go.
In the drunk.
But some of the time you make a
job.
mistake in life and you continue making the mistake. Look at people buying cash pot. They lose every day and they continue making the same mistake that they're gonna win the
Because
lotto.
I'm an idiot.
So I just like that. So I really apologize
Alright,
and I'm gonna give you some time for us to sit down and talk about this. But me and you have to talk more. Me have to talk, but we talk about it in due time. But
Shelly,
yeah, but no, me I tell you, me really, I really have to go. But we have fun and we can meet up again. So,
block you, you know.
so if you
Block
do.
it
So,
everywhere.
but for the child's sake, you have to talk to him.
but it's young still. Everything young. About much month, no, much weeks, no. Oh, coming out, no, son. When?
How long now you left here?
I live. But when did you go to the doctor? I don't.
Yes.
So how long do they say now?
You don't need to know how long me sleep, know how long my mother sleep. Like, over.
How long your pregnancy?
Shelly. Come on, cancel. We're not finished.
No, me I go over, me done with him. 2 months now, by the way, if you want to know.
Alright.
Right here, Joshua.
Alright, later.
Alright, maybe talk here.
Alright.
Joshua.
Take care of yourself. And I'm very sorry for everything.
No worries, yourself, man. I enjoyed.
Okay, I'm glad you did.
So mommy, I really hide this from me for how long now?
Joshua, how can I tell you this as a mother? Me mess up and then I find myself pregnant at this age. Remember, say I'm not pitting no more, you know. I'm 40 at the year while I know I'm pregnant. And I'm not even for your father. Or for my daughter, boyfriend. You know, look right, Joshua. And it's hard to talk about something like that. It's very hard. It's hard, you know. Because guess what? I realize my mistake. Another man's fault. I misjudged the man because a long time I'm not involved. From the father gone 20 of the years now. At the first I've been with a man.
Me understand what you say, mommy, but me I say, same like how you break it down and talk to Shelly, you could have break it down and tell
And I
me
agree,
to.
but I just couldn't find the guts to talk to you about it. I couldn't find the guts. I mean, no, say it hard, but I just couldn't find the guts. I never even know, I couldn't find the words to really sit down and say, son, so and so and so. The truth. It's the truth. But I know, I have to talk to him because I find myself pregnant. I need him help. You understand? That not say me go there back with him. But after me have the baby, I have to take care of the baby. But I want to see man Shelly make it up back. Because I Shelly man. Because them engaged, you know. Before all of this happened, them a plan to get married. Until this happened.
Okay, still.
But you know, if I hold it for 20 years, I should have really behave myself. Because I hold it for 20 years, I shouldn't do it. And that's why I take all the responsibility, say it's my fault. And I want to see man Shelly get back. It's the man's fault. Mr. Just the man. I'm lie to him. I mean, I'm ashamed of myself, but what can I do? It happened already. There's nothing I can do, Joshua. So I want you forgive me to find it in your heart for forgive me completely. I understand what you say, I never tell you. And I'm sorry, I should have really tell you. I'm just going to find the guts to tell you. It's hard something to talk about. Yeah. I'm a son-in-law, you know, to be. I'm a future son-in-law to be. I'm a find myself pregnant after all these years.
Alright,
Alright.
forgive you.
Alright, thank you, my son.
Good day.
Oh, God.
Oh boy. I have a stressful, long day. I got a lot of work to do at work today, so. But just couldn't mind you what I did at work today, so I'm take time off. So, you got doctor, what them said you?
Doctor said, never know how to say this, but listen, I'm pregnant.
Alright, so. Nothing that a man can handle. So them sure say pregnant.
Positive.
Alright, well, explain you've been feeling bad from what day still, so. Alright, so. Yeah, no worries about it. This girl go, I have to start on it. I have to do some business for insurance. You see me work extra harder now, you know, because I start to come. You want me to go back to work, yeah? You go back to work. Because you're alright now. You hungry?
No, no, no.
Alright, you have to go back to work right now because if you're pregnant, you're going to take money. Alright?
The man look like my mother.
Good morning.
Yeah, no. What one?
Yeah, I know.
Long time no see.
He's there from Jamaican.
Oh, how's your mom?
She alright.
Yeah, she good?
Yeah.
A long time I know you from her.
We just come up go look for me and we find her or something. So
Oh,
Joshua there.
you know, sir. It's supposed to in there now.
Oh, he may come check for you.
Yeah? But a long time you and Joshua are friend, you know. Long time we're not a good friend.
Oh man, we are friends for a little bit now.
Yeah, from I got school, before we even start school. A long time.
Call yourself how we just born.
So what's up with your name? What one?
I just jump and check in, contact him or something.
So you're good?
Yeah man, you good. You see I eat breakfast, you know.
And just a crease some little soup in the morning. You look good though.
Yeah man.
Yeah, you look good, man.
So you say we can go and go look for you.
Yeah, man, him in there. You can go check him.
Alright.
Okay.
Who that?
Wow.
I don't see your name by a long time, I don't see you.
Of course, me remember you know for a long time. See how do you mean?
I years, I don't see you.
Oh God. A long time I don't see you too. Just
You
a
come back in
forward.
that place now.
Yeah man. Just
Yeah.
go look for my father and say I come look for you.
Oh, you pass through or you stay for a while.
Me just have to stay for a little while. Yeah.
Boy, I tell you, say, a whole heap of something happen from your gone, you know. Long time I don't see him, I really miss him, and it's me have for all a serious talk. You don't know, say, other day though, you'd have a nice brownie or something, you see me? Nah, lie, I fall in love with her, you see me? End up going to town, me and mommy, going to town one day I get something. You don't know, so I go see a girl with man pass step a hug up or something. And then here she tell me, no, I don't like what you think. And this she disrespect me. I made
That's a big disrespect still.
I made have one black one before, no, a nice black one, and the only thing she kinda two ups. And mommy said, look at there with the brown one look like I right much
Oh.
shape. I know she break me heart.
But you did there with the black one still.
Right now I sing them singer right now. A long time me all rolling so I don't know if me could have.
That I go mash up with friendship, or you know, say we come from far. Remember, say far we are baby, we are people, we are friend, you know. And we don't want to mash up with friendship.
I understand what you're saying about this, so me I say. You understand me, and me understand you. So I think the two would be a great couple. You see me?
Me no
understand?
see it that way because you know we are friend long time and me no want that mash up with friendship. You understand what me I say?
Alright, me work with it as a still, but if anything, see if I can get one of them nice girls.
Yeah man, me try say we can get one girl for you cause you know say only per girl me I talk to still. We can get one for you anyways.
I
No,
say you're
listen.
good do all
Yeah,
life
man.
for you.
Life alright man, so how about you? How about you and life and all? Different from the girl business, how you want life?
Well, life alright, as me, you know, so I still a play my football from you left me I did that. I still a play, you know.
Yeah,
Only make
man.
things are going right, man, but I just see Browning has stressed me out still, but when you get over it still, let's try to do something for me, so me call me well single and now.
Yeah man, me do something for you. Me glad you alright and everything.
Alright, sister, go and make up yourself.
Yeah man.
You see me?
Alright.
Alright, and stay safe, you know.
Yeah man.
And yell up your father here.
Alright, let go more.
Alright, and continue to keep in touch like you're back in our place.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Ready?
Who that?
I see ya now.
Who they do?
Well done girl. The one time you see it now?
Jesus! No, wait, I can't play so hard. I can't play too hard. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? God. Come tell me slowly.
Because I'm pregnant, they got
Go up on the bed, go sit down girl. A long time you see you now.
So come up on the bed, you know? You're not a stranger, you know?
I'm not a stranger. What now?
Me there, you good?
Yeah man, you?
Yeah, me there, good.
I'm a power girl.
A girl, what? Girl. Me love girl, babe. Me don't know
See
why.
why.
Me love boy, baby, too, but me love girl, baby.
So how is life with you?
Life good. How about you?
The day I know me just come down, me did up me did that my mother, so me just come down to come look for my father or something. So me there life alright, see you and thing.
Okay. Me there, I go and take it easy.
Your belly a grow man.
Yeah. Yeah, for my boyfriend because he's going up on the roof to come back.
Oh,
I know he can't reach back.
belly a grow and everything. So who you breed for? Who baby father?
Well, I Rasta one name Fire me breed from. I never know him. Because a long time I left from here, so maybe I don't remember them kind of people.
Me remember him,
That's
man.
alright, you know.
In here no wrong.
Yeah,
He kind of tallish.
Yeah.
Can you say my 6 feet or another?
And in dark.
Yeah, me know him, man. Congrats.
Yeah.
Me gonna be an auntie.
Eee.
Oh, poor girl, though. I'm not like boy pitney. I'm not like boy
Boy
pitney.
pitney. Alright, so boy pitney know I want to not to boy pitney. They love their mother, but some of them
Some of them thief, kill people.
no like.
Boy, care mother.
But girl pitney no. One thing I like girl pitney, if a man now go work.
You know, so me rather my girl pitney with the man them one. The boy pitney go thief,
Take up
sex
gun.
batty, take up gun and kill people. Me rather my girl pitney go take money, man.
And that's the way I say school.
Yeah, man.
Are you that?
No, that's how everybody know. Alright, General.
Hi.
How about babe?
Then,
That work and you know, say you're pregnant, we just come back home and check it. Alright, so you good? How is she?
I'm a friend for a long time.
That's innocent. Friend. Once you're a friend of she, you're a friend of me now. You know what I mean? Good. So you good though?
I like how that sound, you know. Because I'm no friend I get too close to my man, you know. But me not say yeah, do not.
Me don't get close to you, man. Me not get close to you. You know, say me a friend already. How me go get close to you, man? Or something.
That's right.
I'm not that type of person. You know me already.
Me know you.
Alright. You know, say you're my friend and everything. So me go get close to you, man.
So,
I don't mean nothing like that, you know. When I say friend, if I see on the road, I can say hi, hello,
bye.
and gone.
hi, bye.
Hi and bye.
No,
You hear me? You understand that? Because you me love, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it's like how me get, alright, and now I left some night kitchen for you, I carry on food for you if you want. I don't eat them something there, but I make somebody buy it and I put it in one bag and I wrap it and put it in a 10 bag.
But she
You
say
unfold
take care of the little princess in your hand.
Not to say you want, so I get
Yeah.
to feel you say you want it's true, but I never buy it. You know what I mean? So you know, so when you name that tonight, I can't kiss it till 20 days later. But
Yeah.
no, you know that.
But me can't kiss off it.
So
No,
we can't brush me?
no. If they go take them time, the 21 days come out your system after 21 days. But you say, baby, call for it. I say, alright, then think you want to get it, but remember, you go regret it. No, they can't do everything else, but no kissing.
But suppose the baby can't have a kiss.
No. You can get a kiss. You can't kiss this side.
You might as well get a face.
So you go walk. But anyway, go back to work because that baby now go suffer. Me interest in putting extra work on the same thing. You not have to work.
Yeah.
You not have to work.
You're lucky.
Alright. I'm going back on the work, yeah?
Alright.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Yeah, boy, and the baby they not go so far.
Good man.
This is a good man.
I not have to work, I not have to do no. Not even, hello, not even one pin, I not have to live.
Me here, I hope so.
Say, I live the best life right now. When I can't breathe more often or disappear.
You know baby pain for you right about breathe more often.
And that only problem you have baby pain.
Jaja.
But
Some baby take all 3 days, 4 days before they born, you know.
me feel like a queen. I get them a treatment like a queen. I love it.
Yeah, live life.
That's right.
I hope you take care of you and the little princess there.
That's right. You know, princess are our prince.
Me say that because I want girl you want to
Princess,
have.
yes. A little princess. No prince around here.
No prince.
Yeah.
Anyways, me a cut her now.
Alright then.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, later.
Just take care of you.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man.
Shut up, back in the dance.
Alright. So you're up on TikTok? Yeah. Come know some them thing the trending, you know. Well, this is the video, man, right? Been busy too so many times. So what me I say now? You're familiar with acting? Are you first? Is it the first time acting?
Yes.
Well, just like any other thing, you always have to be a virgin or anything until you go into it. So today now, we have an actor who come. Actor takes so long, man. They don't like it's my Jamaican people. They take too long. They don't know time, right? So what me I say now? So that it's a test run me I give today, right? And if I see a mistake, me teach you, so you learn, right? And if you really love you and compassion with it, we'll sign a contract with you. That means in the longer run, way. See him does that come here. Just a forward. It takes so long, man. Alright, so you might want to more professional actors, them working from time to time. So what does want simple scene? You gotta be a girlfriend and boyfriend scene. It's a like toxic relationship. So you gotta pretend say you're in there for 2 years, right? And now him see a better girl than you. I want him better girl. I want to move on with your life. And you just come talk to him to say, yo, what go on really? Or you go relationship so. You understand?
Man.
Yeah, man.
No, I taxi, man.
What you may say now? You get the topic I may say now?
Yeah, man, toxic relationship.
Yeah, so she want you back. But you don't want her back, you find a new girl that can spend for you. You don't have no money to spend, but you have love. You have girl with money. So you just work it out. More just want to improvise and see where your mind is. Ready? Alright. Get ready, camera.
Wait, ready? Alright, give me a second.
Yeah, man.
I'm on a movie shoot, I'm shooting something.
Alright, so I'm going to make you practice out now. So, no what?
You hold down here. That's
Oh,
all.
you should have to put a while ago. You have to watch him after doing and clap them, right? Then bite your clap them about
Oh, we are shooting now.
Alright, so you shoot, you catch a white shot first, and then you do rule a three, rule a third. Alright?
Alright.
Reason why I'm going to do it in my bush is because I want to know accept obstacles. My words are not good. Obstacles. Yes. So we do the math it and look at things them, I for sure say you can work in the due terrain. You work them back. But in the third, you call it now. Out in the wild, nature. So if you shoot a shot out there, we try to make you be professional. Let's go. Do the first part now. So
she come to me.
She come to you. You're there, so.
Right,
So you walk in from here, so, and go in. Alright, 1, 2, 3, action.
No.
Nobody come with the argument.
Mr. Ready? Nobody come with the argument now. Come and tell you I'm done. You don't have nothing to give me. Me get a woman who can give me more opportunity in a life and can further me in what I want to do. So,
But
me
I
tell you
have love.
love alone can't work.
So you're going to leave me for a girl who have money. And she don't actually love you.
What love I do for me right now?
not because love is not money that means
And
you're
you're
going.
toxic on top of it. Every day you want to get up and cuss. If me left the house, you think me gone to a woman. If me go in a shop, me gone to a woman. If me there in a town and me look for a girl, you're not there for a long time. Every time you left the house,
But
she...
because you like the girl, so eventually you
No, me just look. You can't just say me there with
you're not
that.
gonna look for somebody where you don't like.
That me can't go work with. You accuse
Hold on,
him.
hold on.
Every-
You give
cut
me
now.
time for video, man.
Yeah, so give me some time, make you talk to. Yeah, go on again now. Yeah.
Alright,
Big shot pan her, make you talk now. Look in her face and talk to him now.
But if you go out there, you like the girls. If you see a girl out there, you like the girl. So eventually, out there, you're going to find a girl and you're going to leave me with a girl for money because you don't love me.
Me love you, but you're toxic.
So you come on, take for now
if
again
you
now.
ever talk without the camera in the fire, we
Yeah.
can shot in my back.
Come on. Yeah, we take a shot with you now. What I want with you now? I want you turn it up a notch now. I want to show more you go in depth now. You go be like a psycho girl that say, yo, you what? Is this, can you say I love you a while ago? You say you love me? And he say yes, he said that means we can't left then. We can't left. Man, you love me and me love you, we can't left. Where the girl love me murder him. Just show me the girl where you rich girl. Let me show you how poor girl deal with the rich girl. That's why you say to him now. You're bad now, you know you put up energy now.
So you say you love me, right? So if you love me, we can't live. We can't live. If you say you love me, we can't live. Me
You
will
love
find
her,
the girl.
yes, but a woman did the way I go give me the opportunity in her life.
General, I'm here to shoot. You don't talk on the camera in the fire. You.
Alright, so you approach him now. When you say, you tell him to grab him, jeff him up too. You're not afraid. Hold him, man. So, yo, you
You
what?
didn't talk, you jail.
Yeah, man, you can hold him, man. Just grab him. No smile, no laughing. Hold him and say, you are now. Me, you can't left.
Ready?
What the girl
Ready.
name? I'm going to find the girl right now.
Me love you, yes, but me find a girl that can further me in her life. And
Where the girl is? Me go for her right now.
you see this, you know, and you're too controlling. Every minute you just...
Me say where the girl, me go
One
find
tear.
her.
Look at me shirt.
Where is
Me
the
tell you, say
girl?
we're done.
We can't left.
You mean you can't?
Cut.
Yeah,
Una do good. Right. Good. Alright, yeah, man. So, you will learn. You have look smiling. You go work on the smiling, right? You have happy things at home.
Yeah, you have to look directly in my
You happy your yard. When you have the acting, think about the sad things in my yard and focus. It's when you have the happy things them, you don't have to happy because the man has left you. So if man left you and you're happy, that means you're glad say he left. Man
If you
left.
serious, if you just grab
Serious
him.
and grab him and no
Grab me
laughing. Yeah, man. So that is that and this is this. But differently, when you take a, I go up on the phone for a minute, so I go and build back for a minute and make. I talk to some of them, we'll do one more scene again. When we move from the location to the next location, alright? Yeah. Give me a minute.
No, if you're a man enough, you love money.
See that man now? Every day you want to give relationships to every shoot. Every day right through. I don't know I love relationships so and feel relationship. Yeah. You know
Yeah, man.
what's that? I want to look up pizza. People man I want to look up pizza. Same thing you know. What's that? I squeeze bump in a man. Watch out. What's that? You look for that.
I want to know about. How would that funny? Come on there, sir.
A young man,
I
daddy.
want to look bump daddy.
You must give them the man face, sir.
I want to see video me I watch.
Daddy!
I want to look a vlog.
If a my woman that daddy will put her out, you must be mad.
I want to look a vlog then.
Oh, everything good. But you want to know. Check him back. You're single? You have an yard?
My man,
You're not sure.
I'm not sure. Because he have other woman out the road.
But go on. Me go talk different. Don't want to be me and you go be. We don't mix business with pleasure. So we go story. We now go mix it. We go
Stir fry.
Some
Yeah.
to your woman daddy.
I last.
Daddy, don't mention she has in home.
Everything good. Alright, so come in tomorrow. Me have a number. Me call you. Yo, you do a good job today. Yo, come on,
you do a
general.
good
Yeah.
job, man.
See footage them. Start edit them up.
Not any of them.
No,
Yeah,
fear
man.
still be good on wax.
You know, tell you, man, I love money and anything. You think
No,
that
but-
girl, man?
No, I compensate. You know, no fear. You pay me last year.
Alright, boom, I drive good on.
If I
Boom, I drive good on. With that.
But-
Drive with that. Yo,
Ah.
later.
What you show for man, man, sir?
No, me show something.
You are informer, yeah, man.
I take run, say, yeah.
Yeah, man, you're good.
Alright,
You
yes.
can walk down for me.
Gotta sleep. Yeah.
I go for work so early.
No, me not done work yet. But what me I say to you now? Me no know how to say this. But me I say to you though. Phone them, you don't know what say them working properly. When you are doing your stuff and a bus bump out a man's face, people catch it on camera, me see it on phone. The workplace and those when they laugh when I hear up on me. So when I laugh and I look out, I look up on the phone. Now you, if you want to one car comes on a bus bumping a somebody's face, who that person there? Yeah, bus bumping a face. I didn't meet it there?
Sure.
Oh, when was that footage take?
A long time sitting that before me early.
No!
You mean no?
No!
What a long...
I'll tell you one thing. And a long time. I just the other day, when you say you're going out with your friends and you go have a little break up and down, she said you just feel pregnant. She said, you say pregnant, me know why you upset. I said, go on, give your money in your pocket. See how go on, enjoy yourself. So same clothes you have on, the same date upon the footage too. So me know, somebody just want to hear what you go say. The same person, you say you and them related. Either your family or your friend. The person, me don't know who him be to you. But me not trust cousin and me not trust friend. Who was the person?
I want to sitting there. My name is I'm Uncle Pitney. I'm Uncle Pitney, first youth we have.
Uncle Pitney, so you're my one.
I'm a
Cousin. You see, when your cousin go boil soup and mix me up in it, me never have a night. So you go on. You see, baby, we have in a belly, you go give that to that cousin we have a bump in that face. He said, for the barn, and him said, Rastafari, then you have a chance. We put my name on the birth certificate. But for now, we no response to that. What you do?
So what kind of statement is this?
No, because how come you have to bust bumping at somebody's face like that?
I told her say I'm a cousin.
But oh yeah, bust come bumping your cousin's face about the woman.
Let me just wake up and... See if her shoes there. You can't go on because you don't really have no use.
Yeah, and that people say when them two, you know me.
What she's going through, some more than me, more than you. Tell them again, mommy.
Been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try, there's still no happiness.
Who that?
I won't do it again. If you think me bad. I'm just here. But I sing one love song and just I think about it, I just can't get up on my really apologize for all the things I've done. No man, for real. Really, but just sing one love song and really and truly want to back and I say my mother just and whatever they want to and what they talk. You're pregnant and happiest like day of my life when you tell me that this me almost, you know, when I come but sitting a minute there now. So right now I'm really come back for over really, you know, how the baby? Baby I kick her in the head. Can't touch your belly?
No, can't touch me. Don't talk. Me say, you tell us you don't know what you do.
Come on, man. Oh, you know, I'm in a situation where I did something wrong and your mom seduced me and I should have said no. But your mom is at fault. Why did you bring me to your mom and let your mom take advantage of me? I am a victim here, you know. I am a victim here. Because your mom is older than me and she's more wiser than me. Man use one part of them brain, woman use two parts of them brain. Man think with two heads.
Stop right this. Nobody come with the acting on a movie I make. Remember that.
But what me answer though? I don't understand. Why you so hard against me? Your mom take advantage of me at my vulnerable part. Because first thing, when she touch me, all of my part turn up so, and when they turn up so, I try to knock it back down so, and she touch me again, it go back up so.
So why you never come to me make me knock it down?
No, because he wasn't here, it was work.
Wait
She called me over to do some over there, I never know what she want
kill
to
me
do.
left work.
No, she never, nothing like that. It's not what me think about. It's not premeditated. I don't meditate and say this and that. I go over to help her do something because of mother-in-law. I don't know if she want to give me something like that. It just happened. And I should have said no the second time and the third time, but it just happened. Sorry about that.
It just happened.
But you know, apart from that, let's do not for that. Let's move past that because we have a baby on the way now. So, you are going to know. I don't know if it's stay now. Right?
I don't know if it's stay.
I don't know if it's stay. I can't sleep out the door. So I just want to just sleep outside. When I sleep in my bed, I sleep. Yeah, look at something on the sleep so. So I sleep. I go to the edge of so. I go sleep. So I sleep and you sleep over there so. I'm gonna touch you with a long or short stick. You're safe until you're ready. When you're ready to give me access to wash baby face, I'm here. So I will save all of the water. So when you face to wash, we'll wash your face, but me now go journey.
You're not gonna get no access here, so.
Alright, so
You can't stay, yes. But apart from that, over there, so no.
thank you. That's it. That is it. So that's all I want. So me left my things them down on the roadside so just in case you never will take me in. So I'll go for my things them and me settle in back. But sorry again 1,000 times and I will not let you down this time. May I tell you? There won't be a next time.
You're not gonna get the chance to let me down.
I tell you, I would not do that again.
But you're not gonna get the chance.
Love you.
To let me down.
Love you. Love you, baby. You're my baby mother now, you know.
Please go
I'll
on.
ring next, you know.
Please go on.
After the band, I'll ring, you know.
Oh yes, I'm gonna read. I need to remember which part I start reading from. Psalms 91. Okay. Joshua, what's wrong with you?
Mommy, you know already, mommy.
Joshua, you have to try and forget that. You have to. You know, go for the go talk to your sister, but you still get song and cry. You know, go for the go talk to your sister last night.
Yeah, mommy, me talk to my sister, but you have to understand, me can't heal so fast. Look when it happen. And I like around 3 months now since it happened.
Well, I true that too. I have to learn to understand because when your father left me, I saw me feel to take me months. And plus, when the smallest, it was a lot of stress. Lot.
Me tell you one thing I hurt my mommy. And I like me cheat on her. You know. You see, if me did like having another girl, then more than know say, me I do something to so me not supposed to feel right now, yeah then. But when me know say, me not do nothing at all. Me loyal to her. And I go catch her doing a man. Pan stage hug up. She been there do things long time.
She not do it long
And
time.
she a tell me about say, I know nothing like what me think. She even call me from it happen. And apologize, nothing at all. You know saying conscience about them.
Them say, you know, you can't judge the book by the cover. And that is so true. So she's so quiet. You know, me I say she's a good girl because the other one, she know, she does look like a mad woman. Honestly, she look like Java. Me don't know. But looks to her really truly deceiving because this girl really give me a big surprise. Me never expect that from her. But I expect it from the other one, not she. Because she's so quiet and she's soft spoken and she do look like a decent girl. You know, I don't know how to really apologize for you some more. Because for real, she really give me a big surprise. Me not lie, she give me a surprise. Never expect that from her. I just because you tell me say me see her enough for trouble.
She good man, mommy. I calm her, you know. Me not run her down. Me not text her phone and ball to her. Ask her
No,
why
leave
she
her.
do it.
Because if she not reach out to you, then don't reach out to her.
She good man, she want to run back a foot when he see thing go.
But I got too late.
So find somebody else then, mommy. Just
Of
go
course
and
you're
hold
gonna
them.
find somebody. You are gonna find somebody. I just pray to God that when you find somebody, this one will be the right one. You understand? And nobody will come and play games and they don't know what they want. They don't know their head from them too. They're not ready yet. They, then just mix up. We don't need that. We need somebody who have them head from them body and know what they want and know say, well, you understand? Why may I tell the people really deceiving for true. So tell me, what you really want to do now? What you want to do? You want me to take a vacation?
Ready? Mommy.
We can go Cayman, you know. Remember say me have some good friend over Cayman.
That is good. You could stay far from some people.
Yeah, just go over Cayman and, relax and kind of get your head back together, get back normal. So me I say?
Yes, sir.
So we can do that. So we can arrange that. I mean, talk to your sister about it and you how she feel about the idea too. Because you know, so everything we are doing, the three of us as a family. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
I smell last street and come. I'll get this sour orange then to make the juice.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish reading my bag, so we can do that later. Alright. Okay.
Maybe I'll go background later, you know.
You think that's a good idea, like how you feel? You think you can concentrate how to play good right now?
Yeah, man, me take out my anger and I have power feel. Not hurt nobody, you know.
But if you feel so you can do it, there's nothing wrong with it. You can go on.
Yes, sir.
Because I want to really, see your boys them. So you can, they were glad to see you. You know, some kind of them know, say, you're a good player. So you can do that. I mean, right now, go up the block to check Mr. James for the arrange them and come back. We want for dinner this evening.
Anything. Probably dumpling or something.
I do cook some dumpling and curry chicken tonight.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, so we'll go up the street and come back.
Alright.
So I come back, me now see you, right?
You see me, man. You see me.
Alright. Go to the street and come back.
Alright.
Alright, say if anything.
Alright.
Later,
Yes,
my
sir.
son. Bless up.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I just can't sit and come back. Alright. So the sun hot to man to walk so far, but sure. I have to do what I have to do, yeah? I'm gonna need these orange to make the juice. One stop on the juice right now. Oh God, sun hot. Sun hot now. But gotta do what I have to do. Get these orange. Start the juice. Just show girlfriend at the block. Oh, she yes. The person wants it. Hello. Hello. Can I have a word with you? Sure. First, I want to apologize to you the way I behaved the last time. But as a mother, as a good mother, every mother wants good for their children. You understand me? Which you know that I raised them by myself. I'm raised them damn good. You understand what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard for me to really see certain things happen to my children or my kid and don't retaliate. It's very hard. But my behavior, with certain things I was really wrong. So I want to apologize to you. But honestly, I needed to come over one day. I don't know which day you're going to be available. You can come and me talk. We need to sit down and talk.
So you really want me to come over here, right?
Yeah, I need to talk to you.
Alright, no problem. When?
Whenever you can make it available. I get off work, I reach home by the latest 5 o'clock. I'm home.
Alright.
Every day. Alright?
Yes.
Alright, and I hope you understand where I'm coming from as a mother.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, alright. Thank you for understanding. Thank you to understand, alright?
Alright.
Alright, so have a nice day.
Same to you.
Alright, take care now.
Mm-hmm.
Joshua!
Coming in, mommy.
You forget the key, the door locked. Forget the key. Let me come back on this one. You forget the key. You got street already?
No go anywhere yet.
Oh, it's okay, a good thing you didn't come and left the key right on the dresser. And when we reach all the way up the block, remember one thing. We get the orange then, but we don't get everything we want, but he said, one lady first, me.
Yeah, they put in the kitchen.
Yeah, them in the kitchen, go wash them down and peel them off and juice them and get the ginger. But me have to come in contact here, because I have some good news. I don't know if you're going to agree with me, but it's either yes or no. Guess who me just when I walk up the block?
Who that?
Your ex-girlfriend.
You said brown one there, style
no,
me.
I'm brown in the dark skin one.
That is something there.
But Joshua, sometimes, as I say, we judge the book by the cover. Maybe it's a reason, no maybe, it is a reason why that girl operate like that. Remember she said she have to move out to her parents' house, We never get the chance to meet the parents, so we don't know what's going on. You understand? We don't know the reason why this girl just moved out to her parents' house and blah, blah, blah. We don't know the full story. So I tell her to come over, and so we can talk, and then me go talk to her, and then after that, no, I'm going to leave enough to have on a privacy, so we can chit-chat. What do you think? I tell her something
she another one to, she disrespect enough to, You must say when we in a park, all the day and pass and hear my behave.
Yeah, but the truth is we don't know the reason why. It's always be a reason for things to happen. It just happens. So it's a reason why people behave some certain way because they've been through a lot. They're traumatized. You don't know. You don't know. I don't know. But I was wrong as a mother. I should have had better sense than that. But so, as I say, every mother want good for their children. Any mother don't want good for their children and a mother, a mama. You see what I say? Me want good food. Because all I have is just you and your sister. I want to follow me. I have to do my best to show and say, well, whether in there yes or no, we're going to make it.
Well, make you forward then and we'll see how we go.
Oh, she tell her what time I go there still. So, I tell her, so them time I would be home. Who is it? How would that? Oh shoot, I'm a surprise here. Oh, me expect her to come today. I think tomorrow. She'll come. Shoot. That was fast. Oh, come in. Come in. Come in. My Paula said to fly.
Hi, Tasha.
Hi.
What's up?
Can I have a seat? Alright, here we are going. I never explain everything to you. It's a surprise. I saw her today. I talked to her. I wish part me was wrong. Me apologize to her. Understand? So, I'm going to leave the both of you now. Let you not talk. Because as I said, behind everything is always a reason why. So if you want me to come in back after you finish talking to her, then me and she can talk
No,
again.
you don't have to move it, mommy. Because I remember say, you never like the attitude that should have push, so you can't ask her.
You want me to ask her now?
You can't ask her now.
Alright. This is personal, it's very personal. But why is it you move out to your parents' house so early? That part they kind of really, touch my nerves. Because you're a young woman and you tell me say your parents them and it's like you never want to go into detail the way you were talking. But it got to be something. What is it?
Parents never did treat me good. So, I just say I go work, I work hard, if you come out of the house. So, I get a job, which we pick up your dressing, until I can save a money borrow loan.
From the bank?
Yes. And we build a house. Right? But I still don't pay them back as yet. I pay some of them, but I pay all from the bank. But I work for it.
To finish pay off the bank?
Yes.
My question for you, why is it you're so disrespectful? Because you came into my house, you disrespected me, you disrespect my son. I never really like that. And God knows that they definitely catch you. But that they are jail right now because the woman don't walk nowhere without me machete down the bed. But but thank God. Because I'm at jail right now. You understand? Because as I say, when it come on to my kids, me love them down to the ground they walk on. Because when the man walk out and left me, they my baby, you know. And me wanna to do two job, and sometimes on the weekends so me have to work and me have to carry them go my mother go leave and sometimes my mother she no want to keep them. But me have to beg her just to send them go a good school and send send the one and go a good school. So me I say, so when it come on to your children, you go overboard. You understand? I mean, honestly, me never like your behavior. I gotta be truthful, me never like your behavior. But now that you explained to me that your parents wasn't treating you good, I kinda understand because then when you go through things and then with your own parents, it's not easy to deal with. It's very hard. You understand? It's very, very hard to deal with. And then it trigger off, you go do things where you not even want to do, and then after you get yourself involved or whatever the circumstances may be, you realize you're wrong. But when it come on to this a black boy, me love him. I'm the only boy pitney. As you understand, I'm the only boy me get. I'm too whole enough for happiness, so I can't handle more. You understand me? And him sister. So I'm very, very overprotective of my children. Very much. So you explain to me and I kind of understand. I understand what I go on. So
I have something else to say.
Go ahead.
Alright, I'm sorry for how I behave in the town. The reason why I behave so is because I love your son and I couldn't get him, so I behave a certain way, which I know I'm wrong. Yes. So sorry about that.
Okay. Apology accepted. Where you say my son? We give her a second chance.
Well, yes, it can work.
And I promise I'm gonna change. I promise I'm gonna change my vulgar ways.
Alright. And as a mother, I might not be your birth mother, but as a mother, anything you want, not scared to come and talk to me about it. May help you. If I finance, I will be there for you. Anything at all. If I can't do it, then me tell you I just can't do it. But once you need help, just come to me and talk to me. You don't have to tell my son nothing. You don't have to talk to my daughter. Just come to me. And that's between you and I as two women. You understand me?
Yes.
Alright, so. Alright, so I can go and talk and, you know. I get some food because nothing really in the kitchen, in the fridge. So I get some meat kind and some vegetable because I feel like I need some chops with the same. So I get some chicken and some vegetable and then bone down that for this evening. Alright?
So you come over for dinner later.
Yeah, we can stay.
Come here, stay so far.
So I'm going to leave when I come talk. Alright, so I go to the store and pick up some things.
Of course.
Alright, so I leave when I was young people I'm going to talk. No Hanky Panky now.
No,
Alright, no Hanky Panky. Alright?
Yes.
Behave on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, mommy will be back.
Can you see that?
Me say too.
So why me come in here school?
Because I'm not really in a good mood for a wedding. Yes, me.
Why?
I really don't truly know what to talk about him. Just so move on from that now.
Alright.
Come on. I'm going to the bathroom and try something.
What your mother say?
Don't worry about what my mother say. And me say.
Alright. But we just get back in a relationship. How did that start so fast? We don't understand.
Thank you.
Alright.
So this a picture, a long time picture?
Yeah, not really.
This how when I did how much?
Tell me around. I don't really remember, you know. That when I come in time around.
You're not coming like you know, you have started too much. You did play a sad bro.
Yeah.
I can know you catch a beauty.
What do you mean by don't do that?
No.
I don't want to chat about that.
You know, so you know, make sure if my baby picture them to me head it bigger.
Me know.
I know me kinda look nice, but me not nice.
But you're still not nice.
You love you nice boy.
Stop nice. Me have something to tell you, but I don't know how to tell you.
You know you can't talk to me about anything. What's that now?
It's hard to say.
What hard to say?
Alright. Well, I'm pregnant. No.
You what?
Yep, I'm pregnant.
For who?
No, for you. No, sit down, but no, brother. Me, I came right here. I'm not scared of that one. It's all hard. Me, I tell you, I'm not scared of that one. I'm pregnant for you.
So me just know this. When I find out you're pregnant.
I didn't want to tell her all along, but I couldn't tell you. When I said, alright, you see, from the day we get back together, the same day we get back together, we're going to the bathroom. So you come and go like, see you never happy, yeah, come and kiss belly.
I'm happy.
No,
boy, you think of that? Let me tell you something. You think of that? I really think my mother and my sister pregnant.
What?
Yeah.
Why you never tell me this all along?
So it come like I just saw right time for everything, but here one now. You know why sad thing too? Them pregnant for one man. Me there in the bathroom other day, you know. You
So
see
what
me?
the man?
No, listen me, I say no. Me there in the bathroom other day, you know. And me I tell her say, I ears me a ear chop, then send me for go deal with something.
Mother and daughter said, man.
I'm in the bathroom.
So what kind of slackness that you're going in your family?
Listen, I'm listening to the conversation. Yes, me when me hear say two of them pregnant, me was so excited. But when me hear say them pregnant for fire us. Oh yeah. I'll make you look up.
No.
When me hear say them pregnant for fire us to backside. Right. But me glad still say you're pregnant though, God no.
Yeah.
So how long you say you find out to this something?
From the day one time we get back together.
Oh God. Oh God. I'm happy still never tell no man.
I'm happy too.
I'm just all good.
Look, I'm excited. I just feel like crying.
Oh God.
I'm just finish it here. I feel like more like that. I'm not gonna block out.
Ready?
So what me not see you to do, I want to have. I don't want to be a different lazy.
Yeah, but every day so.
The more walking, the better. Get more exercise. I even exercise too.
Best friend.
I'm going with G.
There man, a long time in the field.
How you do on the road?
There man, I introduced her to my girlfriend. Her
Hi.
name is Brittany. Matter of fact, not even my girlfriend can call her say my wife to be, and matter of fact, I'm baby mother. She carry a baby for me now.
Pregnant. Pregnant for who?
Eh?
Pregnant for who?
Not me?
Alright, we here.
You not happy for me?
Yeah, be happy for you. Of course, be happy for you.
Oh, so meet her, Tiana, meet Brittany and Brittany.
Hi. Congratulations, guys.
Alright, so me there I go on the shop, where I go?
Just I walk go up the road, yeah.
I'm there. So she want to walk out, but I know say I shop and you want to go and just want like in full of style.
You hear me? Alright, later.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Shelly. Pull it on.
What happened? What happened? You call me? What you call me for? What happened?
Come to give a mix up.
Can I mix up? I already have mix up to give me a skin your teeth on phone, so you know what happened now?
Well, the one ya, I know you're going to be really excited because you've been telling me, say, me live to do it a lot of time, so I know you're excited. Guess how?
You get one new work?
No, think again.
You go foreign?
No.
You win the football match? You go big, you get big in a game, you know?
Let me tell you, because you don't know.
Sure.
Your brother turned baby father. Me get Brittany pregnant.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Really sit me at the moment.
Jesus Christ! We have a beer. Come here, bro. No, it ain't.
Oh, sorry.
Mad, man. I can't speak into that. What you say? Yeah, same time.
Yeah.
Same time. Oh, but why, you know, he's still, you know, me have to wear a sort of big old clothes. I can't wear nothing with it again. Nothing. And my pants, I so wear work, I have to stop and start with a dress and skirt.
So, I don't see you go work from that. You're on vacation.
I'm really vacation, but you see, through me, the people, how me sleep, vomiting. The boss a complain about it, and so I just take 1 2 weeks after me, one sickness and gone.
Oh, me happy for you still. You see me, and
Well,
coming like a dust. I don't know what. Like everything happen on the right timing. You baby, mommy. You see me like.
you talk about money right now.
Well,
I
I know
have
me
to
should have said
myself,
that
but you know how we. I'm not happy with myself because I'm wrong man. But you go with things, my little brother. You get this I never right told him. What's what?
Yeah.
Sir Brittany.
Where is she gone on the road, you know?
Oh. And mommy she there.
Alright. Mommy come. I think if I work, I don't know if today in day off or in the day work. I think I must be working this day.
I ring up by Monday yard.
Up Mr. James.
Look up Mr. James, you know.
Probably.
I hope they do. Anyway, I'm glad for you, you know, just tell Brittany, I say congratulations for me. But me have to go back and I'm hungry, me starve, and me just eat.
You know, say you want your mix up, you put on your food for your mix up. I know you're tired of you love mix up and you make your name.
And that mommy they put me, I never me wrong, so mommy wrong, later.
Alright.
Love yourself.
Alright.
Yeah,
On to you know.
boy, I'm gonna go check on my friend. Which me not really feel too good, but me still a go.
I mean, you know, feel too good on to you.
Belly a hurt me. I must say, pregnancy, I can feel like a pain.
You really didn't reach no way that you can talk about you feel pain.
You know, so I can't sing that house. So I sing that house, the baby are born lazy.
What do you mean, Barnley? What kind of foolishness that you chat?
On a foolishness.
You just want to go on the road. You
No,
just
me-
come like one road dog. You can't turn a yard.
So you're in a road dog too? When
No.
I go road, I not stop so I go road house.
No, all the time I go on the road, I like if I go play football or me go on the road. I don't like road like that.
Me only go on road, me only go on road, but I'm always there.
I don't even like walk, that's why I'm still big, so.
We can't bother that food. Me I'll go on the road and I'll come back. Come.
So, how long you go stay on the road?
Me not stay long.
Because I like you far from out of my sight and it's like, oh yeah, carry me out and you know.
Look here, nothing happened to me. Just I go down with my friend and I'll come back.
Which friend that?
Down your road, you know my friend down your road.
When I reach you, video call me.
Alright.
Video call me.
Later.
Alright. I'm say video when I go down there.
Call if I normal call.
Video call, don't ramp with me.
Video, so why me have a video call? I'm not telling you me I got already.
No, just video call me.
I'm a phone like say soon. They better so me ground there all day though.
Don't give me no fault. Just
Me not-
go and tell, use your friend phone and call me.
She not on the phone, my show. That's why I'm not call her and tell her to me I come.
That's you know,
But this
call
year,
me.
yesterday, I told her to me I come. That's why.
Me I watch your hair.
But me I watch her too. You know right there so.
I'm going here, I got too much chatting.
If only they let us be. We can be what we can be.
You look happy though.
No man, new song me I sing.
New song.
Yeah. We can make it if we want.
What's up? Long time I say. You look good though.
Don't say nothing to me. Now me see the reason why you never want me and my picnic. Female know say you have 2 other person breed.
Who tell us?
You,
Who tell us?
a mother and a daughter.
Oh, you know that though?
When me know that, no worry yourself. Try know say me I take this a picnic here and give Joshua. If you ever find out say you're not feeling picnic, try know say you have to mind, you hear? I mean not talk no longer.
Me I listen what you say now. But really and truly, if you never do what you do, I never see that, me don't have no problem. Cause anyway, you take it 3 picnics better than 2. So I not trust the way you're going with over so, but anyway, a good idea. Give Josh right. Because Joshua, mother and sister, are then 2, you know, saw them pregnant. And me do it intentionally, it happened accidentally, and then me and you pick up, then start talk after me and them left, me and female woman left. So now that me and you break up, I go back to her because I have to ensure that you them born. So if you there with Joshua now, at least we go there same place and a one family picnic going on. We're in a one family.
Oh, don't get me started.
But you may say, thus, if you give him it, just convince him properly and ensure say him will be able to say if I not be the case, we can be like a good Samaritan and say, I'm gonna be the godfather when I'm me really the father. Here? Nobody nothing know. Yeah man.
And you tell me say you have a heart to come in front of me face and not talk them as you're not true. But Godfather and this and that. I should have you take a one pitney and mine a pitney. Make me a care jacket go give the youth. Go give the, you know, me no want to chat about
but
this. But
jacket, it's a jacket.
Hello.
You know, long jacket I make.
Hello.
Listen
I do not care. I do not care. Me I can't go me waist.
But the person who me catch you when the camera with, oh me go sure say I know if you're pitney, you're not feeling pitney. How much is not feeling pitney? You trust is a trust issue right there, you know. Whenever you know factor in that into the equation. Say because of what you do lead my mind to starting about certain things. That's why I may break up, me go back. You understand? So here we go now. Me get myself in a one triangle and I just live. I'm just a human being. I can't do what I can do. So if you be able to come out and I mind it, me give you money and I quiet in a longer run when we reach the height or whatever, you can put in my name. But for now, do the best thing. And if down the line you forgive me and you feel better and you want the baby face wash, I will do it, yeah?
See you, I will never forgive you.
But
me not want to hear nothing, man. Go on.
I don't want you to feel so bad,
but take care of my picnic.
I'm sorry about everything I go on. But if you never do what you do, we don't never there so night.
But me not see when me. What you see me do? You did see me lay down with the
see your bus bumping a hello. I see your bus bumping a man face. Are you a bounce bumper?
Hello, where you do worse? Hello, where you do worse now? Cause you get 2 women pregnant.
That was before me.
Me not business.
That was before me and you start talk.
Me not business. Go on with them now. You going back to your ex, me going back to my ex.
So me not say nothing.
But me not say nothing.
Your ex and my brethren, I'm more checker now. So here we talk. I'm a son-in-law. I'm a mix up triangle, my friend. I'm a son-in-law. You're there with her now. You're rough.
Yes, sir.
Mom not there?
No, mom not there.
What about you?
She gone on the clean side.
But anyway, man, for that reason said speed. I'm doing Sophia Cat on the road, she's pregnant.
Yeah, man, she's pregnant.
Yo, daddy, you see me tell you I'm to man, I'm to man.
Yeah.
Daddy, a good girl. Take care of her, daddy. One thing with them young girl, I'm going to teach you something. Make them good food, so the baby come out good, right? Make them exercise too. You understand? The baby come out lazy. I'm there going to let her set speed. I just sound like a thing there. One man, something come check her, say she alright. Give her money, said we call. Rough.
You can't let the money, man, like out there. Me give her 24 man.
Yeah, money for yourself.
I have a change, so if you want to give me a change, that's a good skill.
Come on.
That's for mommy.
No, that's for you. Because your woman pregnant now.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Give me this and tell her, so take time with it. Just put it one side and take time with it. Alright, me page her back. Don't tell her sister to come and because she just miserable. She say,
I never see her, man. I never see her.
Alright.
How gone, girl?
I know. I do over here.
Come to your hand.
Piece of this and me take up and you just cut me.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, me have to know. When I come to tell her thanks for you the other day, when I make a mouth slip, come
That
on,
good, man.
chatty.
Me chatty. If me did chatty, would have talk long time.
No, you did not talk. I can't tell you if it's tapping eyes. Because you would have chatting your mouth slip. Because I know you stay. But me not chat about that now. You know me ex, fire.
Yeah, me know fire.
You want to know, say, Joshua, mother and his sister, fire breed the two of them.
That a go on?
The two of them pregnant for fire. So that's why, you see the reason why I break, him claim to say the reason why we break up is because he see me a squeeze bump in a man face or one bag or something. But me might tell me say not that make him break up.
Oh.
And not that make him break up. Just because he knows say I two people upon the way and he don't want mind the whole three of them. I understand.
Yeah, that's why I break up. With you know want mind three pitney.
Yes.
You don't want to put too much on your head.
But on that again, when time I come over here just a while ago, me see him on the road. Him come and chat about how. But take a pitney and give Joshua if in this and that. You never find out he may be Godfather and one bag of same thing. So I'm kind of slackness that.
He might be Godfather for his own pitney.
Yes.
That a slackness, girl. That a slackness. But where say I deal?
Girl, right now I feel confused because never give Joshua a jacket. And the hottest thing, he just come out and want a heartbreak. And if me go tell him that day I know, or if he go find out, I want next heartbreak that day I get. Might as well he go hurt himself. I mean, I want that feel. You see me?
True.
But that the dread they know, that man, I know good man him be because I never miss him. I want pitney, you know, you breed me. You're supposed to take responsibility for your pitney, your unborn child. Take responsibility for your pitney, brother. Me don't know what else to do right now. I don't want to give him no jacket, but he have to go get it. If he find out or so, then we work you out. I don't want to give him a jacket now, but he have to go get it. Auntie, please me I beg you, don't make your mouth slip and go tell him. Because I know say your best friend.
No man, girl, me not say nothing. That good.
Yeah.
Anyways, later.
You going?
Yeah, me have to go over and go do something.
Me come here, come back and go over the right now. And the rest of my chat over here, I didn't go right and not go chat to me. I don't want to go over there, I don't want to feel about me.
Ready?
Joshua.
Yes, son.
You have to remember someone not married yet, you know. And the place small, you understand? So when I do certain things in the house. You understand? You guys have to wait until you get married and then, you know, because the place is very small, it's not a big place. You understand what I say?
Yes, I understand.
Respect you. I mean, you know, so you're growing and, you know, things are flattening and things like that. But you know, so wait till you get a bigger place and then you can do nothing.
I understand what you say, mommy. You see me? And we have to have respect for you because of one room, so we can't really do certain things for you. I understand what you say.
So, when you decide to get a place?
We have to take things slowly, mommy. We have to take things slowly. Just work on some things.
If you don't have money, if you don't have enough money, make me help you, you know. And you know that somebody will help you. That's not a problem. You understand? We will help you. That's not a problem.
You buy bacon?
You know something I forget? I got the story now and I know something I forget something. When I reach all the way down the block, I remember something about it. I forget, man. You must have been like crazy. You know something, one empty apartment on Mr. James there? One nice for one bedroom. That would have suited and she well. You want me to ask him about it?
Can find out what the price. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we can do that.
So let me put money together to pay rent and stuff.
Of course, yeah.
Okay. What are the problem with that?
Some morning, I go checking my money too late. You know that the man got bed very early. He is a early bird. Got bed early and then, you know, rise up early in the morning. So we can check it out tomorrow.
Alright.
I'll let you know.
Just go all a bed.
Ready? Blessed. Yeah. Who may I talk to? She not there now. She there in the bathroom now. But who may I talk to? Because she a baby. I can call her and tell her. Shelly and father, you want? Oh, Shelly and father this year? Yeah. Oh, let me say I'm father-in-law. Shelly Ann! Babes!
Oi!
Your father by the phone.
Which father?
I must say father. Oh, she not in the kitchen, she a father.
Hello? Who this? Daddy, who's daddy? Me not no father, you know. Me I hear you. Mm-hmm.
We married to the woman, but she kinda like my show. We don't know how she do that, but them like me. That means yes, me get the money them I want to pay, but you see me?
Mm-hmm.
You have to come, you have to take over. You never go sign up everything, you know. That means yes, you know, I'm to me, you can get a piece of food, you see me?
Oh, so Landy, you don't mind me, nor you don't mind Joshua. For me, a little pitney run a fire. I know you're ready to call me. Two woman want kill her. Eh? You go turn over there with you, no come in and come over there. I'm not coming over there, so you go stay over there with you.
Where your mother there?
My mother, me live by myself, my mother don't know where you so. And mommy didn't even want to see how much I talk to you right now. Far away you are. So goodbye, come on from my phone.
Listen to me now, man. You can't listen to everything what your mother is saying, man. Enough time you send a portion of money and clothes and them something. You send her money in a Western Union every time and me have to go back to you. Because she not get them. You get me? I tell me I tell her. But don't worry yourself, man. You don't rush you now. Anytime you're ready, you can come over here. I line up the papers there for you. I line up the papers there and you come over here. And come take over and take charge of everything for me. You see?
Yeah, alright, later.
Yeah. So you rush up my phone, so.
Me need to go talk to mommy about this. Me need to go talk to her about this.
But she's not going to tell her one bag of food in it. So you have to listen to what you're saying, man. Alright, don't be not rush your still, but when you're ready, you just give me a call, man. Don't start out everything and that's it, you come over here.
Alright.
But when listen what your mother said to you, man, but me know that she will tell you me I want piece of it. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I really make up your mind, car.
Aye. Oh God, never get a call from me.
Your father not good?
Me I was home here, my father for good. My father not running for me a baby and I come back. I know me come call for him because woman want to kill him off over there. Not all over there making kill him. Now come go, mommy, and come back here.
You come back and see me up on the road here?
We are going to go.
That's how errands to run. Want make some link with some different things.
Whatever. Later.
Alright.
Remember, look on the pot for me here.
Eh. Oi. Malcolm. Me in the bathroom.
Oh.
Me just gonna take a look at fresh. The time kinda hot. Me just
Let's
go.
say. If me tell what happened to Koya, I'm gonna believe.
What happened?
Nothing with Papa.
How
Call
would
my...
they rotted this?
Yes.
My dirty ex man.
I'm not even can believe it. I can't tell me.
Huh?
You want to hear him? Have the audacity, you know, for your car and say, daughter, you know. Like saying,
Oh my God in heaven. The one of the sun so hot. What you want?
How him want to make up with me for all the years in last and how Joshua this and how Joshua that. And I come, me tell him, say, look here. After you left here for me a baby, after Joshua a baby. I know you feel like take a phone and call me.
You living?
He's living.
Me take that man dead and in bone, not him them bone, he can't find them grave.
I come out a big people business because I don't know two side of the story. So me come over here to ask the next side of the story. Me wonder if him tell me wrong or you tell me wrong.
No, him. You know something I lie to him. I tell him the whole truth and look at me, I tell him the truth. I him are the problem. The man there is a wicked man, he wicked. The man there is no good.
No, I see me see this foreign number, I can't call me, I can't talk.
How you get your number?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe say might be.
I want a family do it, man.
Might be one of them.
I ain't even ugly sister because she never liked me from the beginning. Has she? She never liked me. No, she never liked me.
I can't tell me how. Your chair.
I'm a texter?
Yes. Anyway, I can't tell me how. I want to know. Joshua?
No, they're clean up.
I can't tell me how. He want time for me. For me come over there. Because his wife want to kill him. He say his wife want to kill him.
She fi kill him. She fi kill him and cook him and yam him. Because he's a wicked, rotten man. That's what she fi do. Cook him, kill him, cook him, and yam him. Wicked. That man is no good. And you know the funniest thing, you know? The funniest thing, my father never liked him. But mommy did love him very much because him coming so nice and him do this and him do that. We thought he was a nice person, but the man no good. Look how much years. Jesus got me tell the man they're dead and buried and wake up back again and dead and buried about 49 times.
Anyway, me put about my fire. How he call son me if he left it pat and run come on.
And sister man, as she can keep in touch. They keep in touch.
You want me can take care of me, take care of him after him never take care of me.
No, hell tell him no. Make she kill him.
Me come go for cookie and try to put on his hair.
Alright, later. We'll talk.
Alright.
Wicked thought. Oh. Hello? Listen, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You know, so you never like me from beginning, you never like me for your brother. Where the hell you get your daughter brother? Me pick the phone number from. Listen me, tell your daughter stinking brother. Me say, if they left me and me pick them alone and me want to raise them. Look for me that the man. Jesus God, how kind of cross is this in my life? Me don't care. That's a phone problem. Who cares? Yes, I'm picking them. Yes, it's his children. But that man said the man left me from Shelly a baby and Josh. Listen, lady, now me cuss you now, lady. Listen, me have nothing this morning. No, me tell him to go dead a bush. Tell him, me said the woman fi kill him, cook him and yam him. She fi kill him. Him is a dirty pooper, and no good. Not even $1 to send Shelly to school. But thank God me pity them come up good so they not feel walk and beg nothing and asking for nothing. Me not care what you want, so that's your problem. That's your problem, my dear. That don't have nothing to do with me. Just telling me, say, leave me and my children alone. And me want to raise them, then get big now and then pass the rest and left me alone. Left me and me pick them alone. Yes, bye, go. So, me not for talk. And when you see me on the street, if you see me on the left, you turn on the right. Good. Me not like you either. Bye. Come off from my phone. Dirty people then. Come on, let's clean up the house. What to come up and I clean up? You don't need to talk right now, you know. I'm going to clean up now. How this? If you always a body when you see a clean up. After me know that number, yeah. I don't know this number, you know. Hello? How this?
Jota.
Which Jota? I don't know nobody named Jota.
Shillian father.
Which Shillian? My Shillian? My daughter?
What with Shillian over there?
Me never know say you have one. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Yo, me never know say you have a daughter named Shillian. That's your problem, you know. You mash up my life and give me 2 pitney and go foreign and say you're going to make life me and me pitney and you left me and me pitney and you have the nerve to call me and go ask me about my daughter. How you get my number? How you get my number? Hello? Hang up. One no one get my number after so much years. Shillian, your face is bright. Man, the phone you get on my nerves today. Every minute somebody will call me. How is a call back, you know? This damn idiot man you call back. What you want? Yeah, so what you say now? Can you keep, I'm here cleaning my house and you keep on come bug my nerves today. The sun too hot for this, you know. What's your problem? I don't know. Why don't you call your daughter and ask her? Are you a daughter, you know? Why don't you call her and ask her? So let me ask you a question. You ask about Shillian, so you don't have a son here too? Now 2 picnic you have over here. Or you act like someone 1 picnic you have. So Joshua not for you. You know, do nothing for them. Dirty man, you know, do nothing for me pick them and me one. And me want to do 2 jobs and take care of me pick them till them come out good. You know, do nothing for them. You act like some because you're there foreign and you're big and you're broad. Like, you don't do nothing for them. And me, of course, I'm me alone. I'm me alone. The boy, hang up the phone. Oh, dirty boy, please. I don't want him. I mean, no one to call for. We finish cleaning.
Babe, must be something special planned for me tonight.
What?
Something nice, I see one new style for something more try with it. I don't know say first we go, but more try with it.
Alright. Well.
See you person.
You sure about them, yeah?
Please, man. Just trust me. I think you see one back. You come back. Eh?
Oh.
I just trust the process.
Celebrate 50 years agreement.
Just feel. I'm good. I'm just the process. I'm just big someone. That's not tight. So you look so.
Bro, I don't know what I'm just. Anato?
Yes, I have them. I don't know what come here with. One last thing. You have to blindfold for that one, eh? We can't find no blindfold, so I use a tongue. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure you're ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Where do?
That's you know, what kind of sex thing that? That nice.
Yeah man, 16. You don't sleep
That
with my
nice.
mother, eh? You don't sleep with my mother.
Yo, stop no man, love ram some man.
You don't see? You think so funny? Eh? Sure.
That's you know.
In a business. You know what I'm gonna do? I like you. I'm gonna feel satisfied. Let me tell you something. Now you look for money, you say. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find a father. I'll turn you in on my stepson. Just watch.
Right, yo, tap that phone, you know. Yo, can't lose this man.
Yeah. I what happened? Make you knock so hard. Somebody run you down? No. What happened? You knock like somebody run you down. What happened to you? You look so. Nothing. But what temperature there? What one?
You sure me just done beat fire over the man.
What happened again?
He come back and he feels so me take him back good enough.
You saved the high?
Yeah. See, I don't like him no purity, I just like him for the hand and his foot then.
Oh, you don't
Big
look
man
nice.
tell him say me I go look for his mother, his father. To have back sex with his father just like when he have sex with you.
But surely that don't make no sense, you know.
Me left him fight up, you know.
That don't make no sense
And
for
you
you
don't
to
get
tell the
there.
man that. You can't tell the man that you go there with him father.
So how you gonna say, how you gonna sex you off?
Lele, it's not Shelly. See me I'll call you different name because right now my head confused with everything going on right now. Me I'll call you wrong name. It's not the man's fault. Me take all the blame.
Yes, mommy. Whether I your fault or the man's fault, him should not look for you and say, you know, say me there with the daughter XYZ. Me can't look there so whatever. If you have respect for me, just like how me I respect for him. You feel say the man say me everywhere, me tell him first thing me tell him say me have my man and walk off. Just like how if you command to him now, me hear that and you know say me can't do something. What's so hard to say no? I can't tell boy it's hard to say no.
You have a point, but as him say, some man just can't say no. Then just can't say no. Some man stronger than some. Everybody is not the same. Some people stronger than some.
Look funny now. Me tell you say me go look me get your father number other day, you know.
Are you really gonna do it?
No, that's the point. That's why I come over here because I tell him I just want to feel freak up in himself. Because I tell him, say I go look out to his father, go sex off back in his father and I see there, over here yard make up. That for sure, so I have the same mind as him. He don't have a heart for like with him, I don't have a heart for like with his father.
Me understand where
so if he come over here, if he come over here no time today or tomorrow, whatever time, tell him say me down there. Me not there.
Okay. But calm down. Come and say you're upset. Calm down. Try and calm down. Me don't want your blood pressure to go sky high. No, you're going to end up in the hospital and then me have to run back and forth.
First of all, me calm myself because me my baby for me.
Yeah, calm yourself. Remember your condition where you're in now. So no make that get you upset. Because the way me and up on the door, me feel somebody run you down. Me feel one madman or a thief run you down.
No, sir, run, come over here. Come live out the house, grieve. You know, see me head mad.
Me see it.
Me come like me go mad right now.
Try and calm down. Even for the baby's sake.
Even for the baby's sake. I look on you, I love him. And he really go have, you me love you and mommy, you shouldn't even do me that too. You shouldn't tell him man no.
Shelly, me agree with you, you know. I me feel bad about the idea. Me think me need counseling right now, for real. Me need counseling. Because honestly, me have to take all of the blame because I may do it to the man.
How
My
many
fault.
people know say you pregnant for him too?
I know. What people are going to say? What the family are going to say?
I know, me not care what people want to say now, what family want to say right now. Me know say me not done with it yet.
But me, you think people now go cuss me? People are cuss me now. The family are country make me. Yeah, they go country. Me have to wear one big clothes so you can't even show. Me have to hide it. Me have to turn side.
Me not hide nothing. And anybody ask me a fool, I feel fire. Me not hide nothing. I feel him it. Me not go say me no know if father or Philip or no other man. Cause me I know other man never go lie down and me and him go lie down.
But that's true because you're a man. And everybody knows say you're in a date. So I saw you go. Shelly just one big whole mess.
So like my come. Them to me be here.
Go in bathroom. Lucky door. Oh, they turn up the door so late.
I'm
Me. Oh, Jesus. What you do over here so late? What happened?
Wow, you should not even know, you know.
What happened?
You
You look so.
your daughter wants somebody mash him up, you know.
What happened?
Over there. And
Sit down.
she says, no, wait, no, we can't sit down. Because now me just come to warn you. Because she want to let me and she me and anything like she want me broke her up. Because she did that, she tie me up on the bed. The thing said something nice going on.
Oh, you make she tie you up on the
No,
bed?
I think that's something nice.
Oh,
we all just play the game there. Like 50 shades, 40 shades, 40 shades of grey.
Okay, that's
So, me now, she roll in and she put on her costume and she says start roll and she start move like an acrobat and she start do some things. And I say, hey, interesting. Man a king. So, before me know me untie so, foot tie so. Can't move. Tight. Me say, your ties are tight. You know what I mean? She said, no, you say, very. I said, alright then, right. Now, before me know, I be a licking star lick me. Don't me play the lick game there, you know. You understand? So, when she start lick me now, I say, no, this is serious. Right? So, I say, alright. She started worse up. So, I realize it's a revenge. Then when she done lick me now, she said to me, say, watch her now. I go do the same thing when you do. I go look for your
She
father.
tell you that?
Yes. She said she go turn me into her stepson.
No, me not think she look. Me not believe that one. You sure you hear what she said, brother? You sure?
She looked for me in my eyes.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
And she said to me, Fire,
Me head.
I'm gonna turn it into my stepson.
Me can't take no more. I can't take
Yeah
no
man,
more.
yeah man, good.
Me head.
So anyway, more of this here.
Me head.
Hold on fast.
Head.
I think you stay down with my father. You know what I'm gonna? But you see what me do? Wrong. But now I'm not something to you.
You feel say me still like you?
I forgive you. So I lick with that, give me. I forgive you, I won't lick your back.
I think you can't let me back.
Cause me no
That's why
lick.
me kill you over there.
Me no lick. Alright. But sorry about that, we love tonight. Come on.
Go my business, me I go.
Come on, tap ramp, no man, love ramp so.
Should go one.
Mommy.
Come on,
Me
tap ramp.
head. Me have to go think you know.
Come on, tap ramp, you know.
One. Go with him. Go with him.
You take out the baby, you know?
Oh, me take that to bed. Anyways, a while ago. Anyways, a while ago, me and Bia and me and think about something. You know, to really and truly do. Or what you say?
I know one group.
You need to come out to them and put business. You mean sure now? Me really and truly want to tell you, say, you're pregnant. Me think we are holding for night too long because remember now, the belly will get big, belly will grow. So the belly will get big and eventually she will go find out. So I don't want when it will late and the belly big, she will go see. Make sense to tell her from now.
No, I can't tell her.
Take time to talk now for me. So what do you mean I can't tell her?
Tell her.
So what we go do? We all keep you until the belly big, she will see.
Tell her she put on weight.
Put on weight.
I want your belly get bigger, like
Bring
you
it.
can go
Stop,
over me.
stop
You can
that
go over
food.
me
Come,
yard.
come on,
You
come.
can go over my house, go something way, go stay until we get big.
No. Come on. Come on. Wait. Yeah, go. Will I be there? Did be there?
Be there.
Oh.
What's
You
wrong?
know,
What's
I
wrong?
really have something to tell you for a long time, though, but maybe not hiding.
What
Yes,
is
me,
it?
but
You know, so you're not supposed to hide from because we can't reason about anything.
yeah, I know me, but I think about you while going maybe that I say make sense me talk for now because I know when you get large and thing at the time they have a finance, so it makes sense to talk about it for now. Calm down, I'll tell her. You know, say to be honest though, Britney pregnant.
You pregnant?
Yes, she a carry me baby. Oh, mommy, a shock.
That's a shocker to me. It's a shocker.
I know.
That was quick. Brittany may have to talk one away, woman to woman. We have to hold her.
I'm not good reason then. I go to her now, I'm not shock.
You sure it's a son, baby?
What do you mean?
But remember, some of the mash up, you know, no mash up for a good for a while, you know.
I know.
And don't you were dating somebody else? Until the time, between the time you and that guy break up and you get back with Joshua. Something soon too kosher right this one. You sure? You're positive?
Positive 100%.
Me no feel say that. Me have to be honest with you, woman to woman. Me no feel say Joshua baby. No, me no think so. And anything you hear mother say, it always goes so. Because I have experience.
Experience.
Yeah. From the day me look upon you when you come back, you know.
So
Me look-
Joshua
me-
jacket?
No, Joshua no jacket. Joshua no jacket.
She on your jacket?
No.
Okay.
But the thing is this, me look upon you, but me not say anything because I mean, you know, young people, me trying to forget now no business. But me I look upon you, your side. I just want me start to look upon the side, I look bulky. But you know, me say probably just normal fat. But you say you're positive, right?
Positive.
Well, I'm not now go something will come, so we'll know to the time frame. Alright? And that's between me and you. Me not say nothing, that's between me and you, woman to woman.
Amen.
Oi!
Yeah, come back now.
Yeah, you can come in, babe. We talk already. Come.
So, oh, you're not talk to me when we know or something?
No, woman to woman and everything we can, you know. Not saying I'm hiding anything for you, but.
No, I mean, like, when you talk to me or so.
So, how you feel about the pregnancy?
Well, me feel happy and everything, you see me? Never did really expect it still, you see me? I never really did want any son or daughter. I mean, I did a pre that, but from forward, just have to do the right thing.
So, you know, someone really have to get married now. I mean, don't want the boyfriend and girlfriend thing. You really have to get married, you have to put on the ring.
My wife, man.
Yeah, you have to do something about that. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, so, as with me and she talk, it
So I go
happened.
there tonight or now, brother. Actually, don't go worry, I go get some clothes, because she kind of don't know about some clothes, but I don't know she had a still. I go on, lie down still. I don't know if you're moving up on top, I want to lie down. Alright, if anything good night. Alright.
Have a good night.
Yeah.
Don't make the bed bugs bite. Yeah.
You look like you don't feel well, so.
I don't feel good.
One day. You sick?
You know that already.
Come here. Come here.
Can't move.
You eat anything?
Yes, I eat already.
You want? You eat already? Yes, you eat already?
Yes. Yeah, I'm not bathroom. I'm not feeling good.
I'm coming here. So you get up on me, but I know you give me different. So I can run the front, so I just be curious about it.
I'm not running, I'm so cold. I'm going to use the bathroom.
So how long?
Yeah, you know, see, I come to talk to you, though.
Oh, no.
You know, see, you're good at everything, you know.
Yeah, man, I have something on for a program for consumer now.
Well, and that become something me here on the road.
Listen me, you see if I brown girl you talking about, me really and truly know I hear nothing about
No, man, I'm a brown girl. You see. Alright. Me talk to you later, yeah? Yeah, me talk to you later. Alright, me
yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, later.
You good, B?
I'm going to chat more.
Yeah? You know what?
What did I talk about?
Yeah, stay so wet, come on, so let me talk to you.
I should not do a call to me, get me in or something.
Come on, so let me talk to you, know? Yeah, I don't know you stay so wet from me. What I'm telling you now, you need to know what I'm telling you, because you don't look good.
Tell us something that you look good.
I may go on the road to get some bill for you.
Yeah, I know that.
Come on.
Oi! Come now, the door open, in a lock.
Yeah, me hold on.
Come in.
There's something on the veranda.
Yeah, me should bring it in further. So what's going on?
I'm here. I'm sorry I can't talk to you about something. Alright, remember I loan me I talk about? Alright. Remember some more in our bank, you know, so we can take out a loan more and if we see if I can remember land where grandpa did live.
Yeah, the one in my country.
Yeah. More if we see if we can get all of them the land there, then we can just get one big bill, borrow loan and build one big house by the car. Remember say you pregnant, me pregnant, and
we need more space.
Josh the girlfriend pregnant. We're gonna need whole heap of space.
Whole heap of space.
So you can if you get the land there intact.
You don't have no problem. I can't go down the weekend and you know, I'm my uncle overseas since grandpa dead. I am overseas, so I'm have to just go down and make so I'm ready for you know, clean it up. Cause you know, so I hope weed and so grow up on it, so I have to clean it out.
All of them is something there and no cut down the banana then
no
cut down there, just make sure you just clean off because I know so they must bush up here now.
Yeah, don't the bush up now.
So just clean up here and then we can go inspect it. And for you have a line you can get a loan. More get one big enough loan. That me can just go and get it house.
It's a good idea.
Yeah,
it's a good idea.
So just call them and see what is what and then me come back and check about it.
Alright.
I can go there because I'm hungry.
Alright, so yeah, me do that.
So how you feel?
Boy, the baby, they are kick like crazy. I don't know. I'm not going with him, they are kick. So how you feel?
I don't know if everything good still. I'm gonna do one check up other day. So the doctor say everything alright.
That's good. Heartbeat and everything good.
Everything good.
That's good. That's good.
Somebody, I go by there.
Alright, so I'm gonna get on the ball with that.
Alright.
You know, I'm going to my country and go talk to uncle and he can get some of them boy, you know, clean it up and stuff like that.
What people done they want
Yeah, man, want to work for the so them, you know, they will do it, man.
Alright.
Alright, so me call you and let you know what's going on.
Alright.
Alright, later. Okay.
Other day come over my yard. It seems like I come to my boyfriend about something to tell him. And as soon as I come out of the bathroom, you're gone. You would look at me and say hi or so off. How was so important to come contact him about? Because for other day, me I look for you and I can't find you. And see them finally buck up on you right here. So what really you and him talk about or you want to tell him? More if you know about that. What's so important?
Seems like how you come to me and ask me a question. Me come to you and ask you something now. Me say you call up my name for other day. I want to know where you call up my name for.
Me not call up your name. Most other people call up your name because for other day, me and Joshua. Joshua had me there. Me not have time to call up nobody's name. So I want to know where this come from. Where you come from, eh?
Alright, when me come over there to tell Joshua say I give him jacket. And if you don't want me talk, you have to pay me if you don't talk. Because I need some money right now. So I need some money right now. Because I have some problem right now. I'm going to live out of a place.
Some forget money from, and Joshua not even have no money like that. You listen me at work now, I'm not working. I don't have no money, I know where I'll get it from figure. Come out of answers.
Business boy, you, if you don't have no money, you better borrow it. For somebody I give me or else, me go tell Joshua.
Look here, you might have a little secret for me, right? But me, I carry a jacket for Joshua. But me have a secret for you too, because you might not know, so me have know that the secret, but me know it. Me know the reason why you would have left from down here. And if you don't want me leak it, you better keep your mouth shut. Don't talk.
Every day me wake up pray for Jamaica. Create to the creator.
Oh, that's Shelly? Yeah. Joshua not there when the party going, you know.
One life for greater. It's so disappointing. The things.
What's bad feeling going or something?
Yeah, maybe gonna ball for them and their friend them. Gonna kick ball.
No say that keep feeling like a company, you know?
So, what's new?
What's new is me I get a loan.
Good.
Yes, me I get a loan.
Good.
But I want to know how will I not come out?
Yeah, everything will come on good. I go down there and I talk to Uncle Zeki and him say everything good. So I get a couple boys say clean it up. But me never know so much land down there.
Yeah, we must say grandpa, you know.
Yeah, I will put land down there.
All I hit we want.
Yeah, I like where I get. And we're not even touch down which part the banana them, we're not even going on there, so we just do the whole plain part up at the front part.
Yeah.
But down part the banana and the lime tree, we're not even touch down there, so. And we still have almost over 5 to 6 acres.
That good man. Because me I get a loan about then say in like 3 days time them I come inspect the land. And see if a good place, if a good area and so.
Severe it.
Yeah. Them I come do all of that. So, me just want to know say good. I just buy the cologne up on the road now. You never see it.
Let me see.
You smell good, man.
I like how it smells it nice. A man cologne.
Yeah, for your wireless, let me just say, you know.
Yeah, nice go gift for him. Okay. Yeah, I like how it smells. It have a nice scent to it.
Yeah.
Come on. I look very expensive. Well, I know you like expensive stuff, you know.
Oh, Joshua and Brittany, come on.
Why? You have to go see him and talk to him because right now the way the man stressed out, he come like he not even want to talk to me.
When see Joshua and talk to Joshua and Joshua not even believe me, I'm your bigger sister.
I know tell him say, huh? I now listen and it's just a whole lot of things going on right now, so I just stay out tight. And I can do a prayer for them that, you know, the best will come out of it. So how you feel otherwise?
Everything alright.
Alright, good, that's good. That's good. On fire, alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm going to tell you if you can cook callaloo.
Oh, for breakfast. But lunchtime gone long time.
Yeah, but you know, say callaloo that the man they love. Callaloo, dinner, lunch, breakfast, supper, everything. Callaloo. So I say I want some callaloo.
You know, say I love vegetable.
Yeah.
So you say you buy it already? You got a store already?
Yeah, me have callaloo over there in the fridge because then you tell me some blood count low other day. So
When you got the doctor?
Yeah, some buy a whole heap of callaloo.
Yeah, you fit a lot of greens and liver. Liver is good.
Too. But when I eat the liver, man, it come up back so I just eat the callaloo alone. I left the liver for you. And I don't feel like it at all.
They tell you what sex?
What?
What sex you gonna have? They tell
No,
you?
not yet. Not yet. Soon though. The next go me go.
Well, I'm gonna be a grandmother. That's nice.
I'm gonna be another big sister.
Yeah, whole thing just, mix up and
I forgot that a long time. I feel look like it change and so.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
And the baby go on to father. So
Exactly. Me pray for you still, Yeah, man, night time when I go to my bed, I pray for you and pray for myself too and ask God to forgive me.
I even pray for Joshua too.
And me pray for Joshua too. Me do.
Guy look like he have a rough with Brittany.
She firm,
Yeah, she firm, but
firm.
And the right choice with Joshua. Not the right one with Joshua. You see the little brown one there? Me did like she. She me did like.
Me like her too, but then she not good for Joshua, yeah. You not tell you what go on?
Yeah, you tell me what go on, but I find that hard to believe. I think I do want friend, cause I find it hard to
Me don't know the way, cause me don't know the way I see them hug up. Me not think of friendship that they have something going on. Even if it's a one night thing, something definitely happen.
Well, Joshua business that no, I'm not intend to go in night.
Yeah, that's true. Them are young people.
I come go over and cook it, callaloo.
Alright, so we'll talk.
Alright.
Later. And big up fire for me, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Hello? Yes, Shirley? Yeah, you left it right on the dresser. Me just sit here now, just as you come, me look on and me see on the dresser. Alright, I'm put it up, man. Alright? Everything good over there? Alright, so we'll talk. Alright, later.
Done there.
No, go right to go to sit in You give me one of them. Cause
whose color?
You have to put them as one cup since cut up your right in so she can't get it. You call me and now because I want it. I want to leave here in the
Then I your phone.
one, so Da, kada te gimana pun na kala.
You come here to go work, you know, here?
Yeah, can I finish my project here? And then up on the road for them. Oh, you say take long in the bathroom and I go work?
I come out and now, man. I want me to come up. Just put on the shoes.
I'm make look at TV here, yeah?
Aye.
Alright.
Alright, me I gotta work now, you hear me?
You're not to drink no night tea.
I'm ready to drink tea, yeah.
Alright. Who is it? Push the door, push the door. Push it, man. Strong door. One.
You there? I thought I'm going to say to you, you make a hide. You don't see me. So what you say?
Boy, they are tired. If a man there help around the house and you know make some tea and all I say. Like yeah, some tea. You don't love drink tea at morning time, no?
No. Or somebody can. Some never like drink tea at morning time. And that's why a lot of time gas take me up so bad.
Yeah, drink my tea.
So what you deal with it?
So drink some tea and chill out. So what's up? I'm nearby a cologne for?
I notice when you and my daughter get back together, you're not pay me no mind. I notice that.
No, we are tread a thin line, you know. There's a thin line between love and hate. You know what I mean? So
we don't know how to play a game, man.
But we've been playing the game, but we are doing it, man. We can't really make enough call and do. We the first time we could have on the phone and we could have answered. She not when she talk to you, she not give me the phone again.
I lie.
No, she not give me the phone. Like I said, talk to his mom, you know, mad. So, we understand the situation and still know the timing. We don't have to communicate over phone, man. Everything we do it physically and facially. Because it's better that way because that the time no mix up can go on.
Okay.
Alright?
No, true. No, you want to see the other day she come check me and she talk about some business, you know.
And she left this year?
I feel.
But even now, if you can come now,
true.
When you go say?
I get back over the yard. Yeah, true.
Yeah, man.
I should never know say me come over here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That is it.
So everything good?
No, they get there, a bag of things go on idea. So you want to do something?
So we make it come over here.
Alright. That is it.
Yeah.
I'm clear the bed. I don't put on the tea for later.
Put over this one. Don't make me forget it, you know.
No, man, you don't forget it. Just right in front, you can't miss it.
I'm a phone because then she will know say I come over here.
Alright. So. Rinse off first. Rinse off.
Alright, all are fresh now.
Yeah. Alright, so safe. Travel go
yeah,
back
man.
over, you know.
Yeah.
Look if no.
Remember now, this is our little secret, alright? Nobody is supposed to know.
Well, I don't know about that, you know, with the secret thing, you know. Can we try secret and it work out? You understand? So, anyway. Alright, take your time. To the tea drinking. Alright now.
Fire.
Yeah.
Me dey watch a movie today, right? And me see have one ads in the bowl. Some Miss Elias, something like that. About dream house. You can't go buy one of dream house for me, you, and the baby. No, that is some bad.
Alright. You know where I say, but I not have the money for that right now still. But we are working on that. We try to get Jamaica movie industry up to our way. So if you reach up to that part there, we can actually have a house over in the US. Because there are females in that do that
selling the GMOS business. It's in the US, not in Jamaica. You see number upon it?
Me notice, but
Yeah, it's
more
not
go
a Jamaica.
Florida.
It's a Florida, but we are in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So I will look if we can get a house built out of Jamaica still. So I'm looking into that. Because I soon start make some money, you know. Because I put in the work you know, because we're trying to build Jamaica film industry. Because we don't have a film industry. So corporate yet. So we are putting the work. That means so when they recognize that we're there, it will work out that way there. Alright? Don't worry yourself, man. But Florida something, man. Nobody have your people live, or you somebody for you live, that region there.
Over there live, yes. But you know for a man say me and my dirty poop on a deal.
Yeah, right now I say I go, but all I will say, man, come tell you know, come down and I move with them when I did them. When the belly get big more right I move up pregnant to man and put in it.
What name it?
Oh, listen. It's so glad they promote me from if we stop sleeping until now we start sleep the right way.
No matter if you say that or no further.
I really feel this now. Yeah, what you move with them though, thank you.
Yeah, girl, I'm here say. You see the pit will make it Joshua? I'm a fame. I'm a fame pitney girl. It is a jacket. But only thing me need. Calm down yourself, no man. Only thing me have to say right now. In China, the jacket they fit. So I'm nervous right now. Me that chat foolishness. No, girl. You cannot hear me, I say. Joshua me there with no me a talk. The pitney claim to say a fame pitney, which me say a fame pitney, right? But I'm not fame pitney for the Rasta man. When he fire. Yeah. Me ex. Kind this one me and left me and one bag of something. Just because he get mother and daughter pregnant and one bag of something. The boy no want my pitney. And that me I try tell you. Yeah. May we talk though? We ever talk face to face, but I like talk over phone. Alright.
So, you tell me say a jacket you prank to give me, brother?
No, prank me and my run on somebody. By the way, let me tell you this now. Mind your business. You must feel, look here, I know me make you and your mother brief for the said man. You know, walk list. No, but you know, walk list, man. You know, walk list bad.
But I mean, mother alone. You are briefly said, man, you forgot? And in this one, you me just hear everything. Everything. And I really, you ain't got to take up. When they know? When they?
No.
Over my yard.
And?
Over my yard in there, you know, they will this year.
So by the way, we meet now. Eh?
Yeah, I feel like my brother. My brother, I feel like you.
Left me.
I go over there go tell him everything.
Baby love right now, me tell me you can't left me, baby love.
Yo, you see?
Take a time and crawl, go on now.
Yo, you see?
Yeah, we see about that. If you dread one, you dread no one, yo. Come, okay, we got it.
Joshua! 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 Mommy!
Yeah, people. Baby love. Joshua, they are Kingston and they now come back for now. So if I want him, go on to Kingston.
Come here.
I'm not sure I don't cover egg. I'm not going to lose my picnic, you know. Just go to the back again like this.
I left my football shoes down a bar ground. Take up and see me. Yeah man, take up my football shoes see me. Tomorrow also. Yeah, may come for you for alright. Hey baby man, I'm gonna come back here. I can't do really hug you and because I see my bag and where I come from. I see that again, bro.
Hey,
Yeah.
you know some sound set here though.
How that come now?
Come on. You know say sister not like me.
Sister not nothing against you. You see me? Me and her is a good enough so I think you should have tell me that so. Nothing like that.
Look here, me dey take one walk since evening, right? And your sister see me and come and chat about how he picked on me I carry for you a jacket and one bag of same thing she had tell me. I don't know what else to say, yeah, man. She not like me.
You see what I say? Nothing like that. You see me, my sister not say that. If you say that I feel in a joke type. Because you see, other day me tell my sister say, you're pregnant, my sister be so happy, like in really happy seeing brother. So me not really understand no. Me not believe this, I don't know what. If you say that I must joke Sharon.
Look here, and a joke she make because me mostly pan tell her, must go tell her say she and her mother bring for the said man and one bag of same thing. Because she get me heated, that's the reason I said that to her.
Yeah, but if she get you heated, me tell you, me never tell you if you go tell her.
But look, you don't understand the girl at 10 bucks with your pitney and jacket and one bag of something. If you say me not go feel hurt about it, if I then me go to her and tell her to feel pitney and jacket, she go feel hurt about it. She might as well tell me or lick me down.
Well, if she said that, she being very disrespectful then. She not supposed to feel say that. What I mean, my pitney and jacket. Mad. Anyways, me will be there, man. We have to hear two sides of the story. You can't just hear one side, so I'm going to be here. You'll be here already?
I'm be hurt.
Alright.
I still feel hurt.
Me have to talk, I'm not coming back. I'll be here.
You don't have something to tell me?
Good night, bro.
You don't have something to tell me?
Oh.
About this little girl named Brittany.
Oh.
Oh. Me don't know say you're baby daddy too again. Oh, say you're not double baby daddy, you're triple baby daddy now.
Like she tell.
Like she tell way.
Like she tell.
Somebody you tell me no say you're not a girl today and I believe them, you know. And you tell me no, say like she tell you're not a baby daddy.
Listen me, let me tell you. Listen, let me tell you, God. When they put me out, when I hear the thing, right? I have nowhere else to stay. So she'd have a local place that we rent at the time. So she may have some shooting to go on for this during the same era. We sleep on a couple of nights. Yes, we maybe did something, but I did use a protection, so like she tell. So no, but me know, but she have more than one boyfriend. So that is it. So I know me, but she and me is the most suitable one she want to do too, because shoot movie. So I tell you, me know what I do for me not do. Alright?
You're lying.
I'm not lie.
Believe you.
What can I lie? I never have no space, so I'm going to sleep on the outside.
So one question. You're a big movie producer, no?
No, I'm not a big movie producer.
So why don't you have a place where you don't even make as much money for rent one place?
That may I tell you, it's a struggle in Jamaica to do movie. Girl. That may I try to say to you. It's a struggle doing movie in Jamaica because there's not a movie industry. And this is a country where when you do good, nobody really highlights you until you reach successful. So when we reach success level, everything will be okay. But for now, we can pay the bills, then go something and do the normal stuff, but no big rolling yet. But we're doing the work though. That is the greatest part of it. And no worry self-bound, nothing like that, because I am not that girl baby father.
So, just come from work, I'm tired. How about a show if I show you all our daily video?
No, me I go bed. You not go bed with me. And I head out until you sleep tonight because me don't believe you. Me believe you girl say you and baby daddy. And you know the funny thing about him, I try to pin it for my brother. For my brother, you know, Joshua, my precious secret Joshua. He must try to pin him on. Or Joshua have to go wear the jacket. You know if it go fit, but he must go wear it.
But it was Joshua's girlfriend first though. Because she has talked about Joshua, so Joshua and Bridget like and they went there and this and that and somebody fight him out and bro. She tell me a lot of stories of Brownie and the mother fight her out and even you and we don't know who fight her out, but then they were a long time, so who should tell if they never they link and acquire. I don't know, I don't get involved in that.
Yes.
I'm not there again anymore, so I don't respond to that.
Yes, I did just your girlfriend. But when we run her out, kick her out before they even have time to go to nothing. They never there.
That's not what I hear though.
No, because she obviously she had tell us some lie.
Well, I'm not too involved in that really.
You involved because she walk on a talk say you breed her. When me thinks here, a double daddy you be, a triple daddy you be now.
You see, I am innocent till proven guilty. Let me tell you something. The reason why me and her left too. She have we see her on a video, a bus bumping on next man's face. Little when a man lap. For the man chest plate and a bus bump and a girl van and live the best life. Then I pretend to me. So me not really worry about that what I say, because I don't tell her say I'm not into that. So if you go beard, you beard, and then we go beard and make a beard one time. So me have it. So
You don't be very sure. You hate me.
we're not done with the beard. Come on fight you, we're not rough you up. Yeah? Take your time, babe. Love you.
You know, like you know I'm feeding.
Never say that.
Joshua.
Yo! Now forward.
No.
I usually call so you know open the door.
Listen, nobody had to play bad.
I know me, because she beat down the door. She have a puppy have, and I because she mother house, you know.
You have a house over here?
Listen, sister.
You have a house over here for your mother house.
Hello, listen.
Alright, sit down,
Yeah,
there's something to
I like how you two on the one place, because I don't need to talk.
Me don't need to talk about nothing.
No,
You
talk
will.
about nothing.
Sit down and come. You see Aladdin? No, listen to me. Me bigger sister, you must can't believe me. Aladdin, me I walk a good on the road, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if you come over here, but mommy they already tell me say, you know, the hair are you alone there. Me don't know where they gone. She tell me say the day Kingston, so I don't know you reach back here now.
Me the day Kingston?
Me never see the day Kingston. Jesus. Me?
When
me
that?
say that. Me come over here because me pass and me
A
here.
football for you me day.
Just listen to me now, Joshua. Me a pass and me here up on the phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
Joshua. Me tell Joshua me a breed. Put on for me penny and I feel penny. I forgot wear that jacket. I mean, if you can't fit him, but I forgot wear that jacket. That ain't up on the phone. And so come me have argument in my content about me and mother breed for one man. That she a come face you tell for me now. Like a pissy tail girl in her face instead of me talk about me a breed for one man, me and mother.
No, so I don't believe that. A prank gonna prank me or something?
Is he sitting me tell us sister don't let me not go steer and take me say me can't take me don't want me can't take me. So if you don't go steer in a pocket bag and go on. Me got better so.
No man, I have some prank
Let me tell you something. I don't know prank and I don't know camera no yeah. She dey on the phone I said the pitting what in her gut a jacket and a few pitney. And you want no full pitney?
Over pitney.
Fire.
No man, I prank business.
Me tell her about this up girl.
I don't believe that.
One day me gonna come
Look here.
Contract fire.
Stop telling lie upon me, you hear?
Contract fire.
Don't tell a lie upon me, me not like
No man, I don't believe that man. Sis, man, I don't believe that man. I'm doing some joke thing on the pan.
You see?
Oh.
My God.
That's some joke thing on the pan, man. Don't stop around.
It's true because me a big woman feel like a girl over there so. You know, only thing me not hear so today, a fool for a pitney.
Listen, I go on. Me not too.
When you come here, you pop your mouth and then you can't
Hello.
argument with me. Don't come stop me there.
Hello. Listen, hello. Listen.
Hello, I'm not telling you not come here. Somebody for live for me. Me man for live for me. Pick me for live for. So I'm not time for you. Me good baby father for live for.
Hello, listen.
What's wrong? Oh, listen to me. I know for you pick me, idiot. I know for you. I bet you go.
No, I'm gonna feed you. I'm yours. Are you worried?
You are going. Me really know.
We are trying to stay. Your brother not fire no shot.
Mommy there.
Me don't know mommy there.
Babes, I got too much of it, so you're not fire no shot.
Nobody not talking.
Oh, you know what I'm chat to you? You know me come about my business. You know what I'm chat to you?
Let her feel good.
I do not like you.
You lie.
Excuse you, I must see you braid me. Yeah, tell us your brother not fire no shot. You feel not fire shot, what is wrong with that? Jack it on their ass. Me not business, what you want to say? Me not business, go on with your business.
Yeah, get put out there.
Go on, get put out. Get put out for me, for me, hello, me innocent, you know, me not do nothing. Me tell you, don't come back here.
Hello, listen to me. I say, mind your mash up on me door. Don't do anything.
Me I come out here, me I go here. Bye. Carry my phone, me go take a walk. Me can't take this no more. Your sister don't like me, sister tell lie.
Listen, come. Me not in an argument.
Oh, so you cuss me now. And me carry up. Me tell you, me go do abortion then. You don't want no pick me, right?
Judgment Day is on its way.
Judgment Day is on its way for real. Don't worry yourself. I won't worry myself. Now take a walk. I don't want to hear what you have to say.
I'll put that phone up on silent. Leave that phone now.
Hello?
What's up? I just see miss call, you know, cause the phone on the ring loud so my time I like it up on silent. And them there all the rest and I don't look on the phone and I say you just try to call me.
Yeah, because you remember the cologne with the left on the dresser. It just come back to me, you know.
Yeah,
Did you pick it up?
No, you know, you see that same day there, when you leave, I was so tired because you just too much energy. So I lose much, so I just drop asleep and wake up. By the time I wake up, Shelly was here. You know what I mean? But I don't see the cologne on the table or nothing. When I look, so I think say, you did, on my mind, I play a game, I did take it up. Because I have ideas and I think I sleep when I left. But I don't know, I just drop asleep though. So she doesn't say nothing to me about it though. She said nothing to you about it?
No, she haven't said nothing to me about it. No.
Maybe she not to realize then. So she went and left it over here then and she just see it and could have hide it to surprise me.
Maybe that's what happened. Yeah, maybe that's what happened.
Yeah, because my time I say, so hope start that though. But how you do though? You good?
Yeah, but you know, it kind of sticky. You know what I mean? The whole thing just sticky because Shelly, I mean, we talk it all, but you know, Shelly not 100% on whatever happened. You know what I mean?
Well, it's life, you know. We have to live with what we get and the cards we get dealt with. So, do you want us to stop doing what we're doing?
Oh, hell to the no. No.
Alright,
Do you want to stop? Do you want to stop?
Well, no. You know, once it's good, you just go and do what you do until the time is right, you know?
Yeah, we just have to be smart with whatever we're doing, you know? Because she don't believe in nothing really. Still, I go on, she feeds everything. You understand me?
Alright, so, cause she you must say your daughter, you know, so you know her best, you know, so.
Exactly.
Yeah, so. We'll continue do what we do. Yeah, man. So when you're linking me?
I'm just smart about it. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet, so. But just let me know if you pop through or whatever, if we have to meet up somewhere. Or you come over, man. When you have time, just come over. You know what I mean? Because that's the safest place we part, you know, say.
at least if you come, you can hide under in bed or anything, you know what I mean? And make
Alright,
sure
no
distract
problem.
her or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's not a problem. Alright, me let you know.
Alright, the boy Joshua, him a behave himself.
Yeah, man, Joshua good man. Joshua good, him a doing thing, you know, him good.
Come here, say, in turn breeder now, him breed woman. I get grand pitney.
Yeah, but I want to breed about boy. I'm not even for Joshua pitney that here, because a girl kind of look sneaky to me.
I Joshua pitney man, cause Joshua, I see it pan him, say, my sharp boy. I feel him pitney. Yeah, man, I feel him.
Yeah, see, so I see him still. And he will want to be a father, so.
That's good.
They want to see what go on.
It's a good motivation, because maybe that will push him out in the earth there. He can get a youth from him young, him more focused. He can, he can start focus on building himself one local house and start himself one local business. And if money come my way, because I do some local flaming and you know, so if anything bust off or anything, me know so at least I can say, alright, see money here. Because I'm son-in-law / brother-in-law, you know? So he have he can collect for him have a collect as a brother-in-law and a collect as a son-in-law. So in the on good terms. Right?
And he check see, you know.
But no, you can him admire on my role, you know what I mean? I'm not roll that bad still. I'm not really a bad person. You know what I mean?
Yeah, him check see you.
Yeah man, that is it man.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I will rest because I have some shooting to do later. So I get a rest because we'll shoot the whole night. Because I want to project my try to finish up, alright?
Alright, so burn it down to the ground.
Alright, so miss you.
Yeah, I miss you too.
Alright, later.
Later.
Oi. Why you out the door with your shoe with? Come to see you. Your shoe move with.
How long will you sleep for?
1.5 hours, so. Don't know how you tired, so.
No, you're shooting for the bus work as well, is it?
Joshua.
What going, Shelly?
Yeah, me did left one cologne over here there. Are you carry over for me?
No, sir, which cologne that? What you talk about?
No, other day I come over there, I left one black cologne over there, man, and I tell mom to put up it, but I see it over here, I think I do you carry over.
No, sir, I don't know nothing like that.
Oh, alright then.
Oh, you can do fine?
No man, everything good.
Alright, you work yet?
No, I come over, I there yard now. I top over my friend here, but I just reach her.
Alright, then you're good though.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then sis.
Alright. Hey, may I come get up for that work here?
I'm not sleep, man. That's one good thing to do. I want to go smoke it out.
Then I want to go sleep. B, may I get you some here?
What time you come for work today?
Around 3 o'clock. 3, 4, and 10.
I probably have to make a stop.
If you come back and I see me have some shooting for doing in the evening, that's why I take some stress, see it?
Alright.
So if you see me, come in at night, mate, talk.
Alright. Good boy asleep. Beat out. Boy. Wake up, man. Wake up.
What you got to
check.
What's up?
Not much of you come check, man. Josh and the room and me one over there. It's boring. Come check it.
What is not danger zone? We just come and thing. What? It look like you know one day for you think for cool. You understand?
Shelly there work, man. Shelly now come home now.
We know still.
We can do a thing. Nobody now for now. We just keep it on the DL.
We try that in a minute. We try that. Well, this time you have to ensure say you play the game better though. You can't make them find out nothing at all.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Your son won't talk, you know. He's a militant youth. He won't talk.
I know that still.
I
I'm a boy, you know, so I raise him.
I just Shelly just inquisitive and Shelly, we want to find out, you know? Alright, but if you go do it for early and you go back early, that means the less chance of nobody find out anything.
Alright, what time is it now?
About 12 o'clock?
Later than that.
Or 1:40?
1:46 now, 42. What time should we for? 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock, yeah.
Can do a quickie.
Alright, ready.
Can do a quickie.
Alright, come on, I shoot now.
Look a quickie. Look a quickie good sometimes. Also, remote.
You're a controller.
You can put on weight.
Yeah, man, we just reach back here and tell us. She cook when she come from.
I know, she's a good girl, you know. My raise her good.
She not catch a cooking good yet, but she'll try.
She'll try. Look at here. Look at here. Alright, so you good?
Yeah, I'm more than good.
That
And
was good.
The time is 2:36.
Shoot, she'll clean up her desk now, so she'll get ready for shake out.
Right now, we can't move faster you know. Because we're tired out.
You drain out.
Drain out. When you come tonight, I always tell her, I say, boy, you know, say, I go up on the road and build some block. I'm celebrating cars.
Well, you and Chef work at that part there, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm not busy with that part. That's between you and Shelly. What me do with my phone?
I see that? Come on, I see you. Hold on. Me not there. Go to next.
I go cut.
Go to next.
Keep the fire burning.
Miss Shelly.
Yeah, who that? Push the door.
Evening, mommy said you feel something. Yeah. You look like you're crying.
Why? I want this old money me have here.
How what happened?
I sleep with my mother. Finally, I sleep with my mother again.
Your man asleep with your mother? So what you gonna do about that?
I feel like one piece of money from the bank. So, I just take care and go overseas.
It makes sense. Because it don't make no sense your man go sleep with your mother.
I'm telling you about you.
And you're the out here.
My mother
Can they
pregnant to
overseas? Your mother pregnant?
I want to a story. Can't do that.
It makes sense because you can go over there and go find a new husband, you know? I'm start a life. Alright, may I go home?
Alright.
Yeah. So, me tell mommy say, just say hi.
Alright.
I really appreciate that, because I really inside here when I keep church as well as sometimes go on the street and preach the word of God. So I really appreciate that.
Alright, so we're going to Mandeville. I'm over in Mandeville from stealing to preaching, from teaching to preaching, you know. Reach out to I&I, still have the Airbnb renting, and I mean, I'm planning to upgrade that a little bit, so there's so much social pictures of that, you know what I mean, so I go along. You see that lady here, though, support our business of that, you know what I mean, so I go along. You see that lady here, though, support our business. They want the dream house, it's here right now. Start a conversation with Miss Elliott, you know what I mean, because she's a pleasant lady, and she mean business, you know what I mean, so dream house there, right around the corner. Work on it, okay, and stuff.
55732. Hold on. Hello, good day.
Hello?
Is this Miss Elliott?
It is. Sector 21, ISL.
Pardon?
How can I help you?
Me there watch one movie and me see you on ads where you sell house.
Okay, yes, I do. I'm a real estate agent in Florida. I'm licensed in Florida.
Okay. So how much is the cost of one of the house?
So is this going to be cash, or are you going to get someone to finance it? Are you going to pay cash or finance?
Most likely cash.
Cash, okay. And are you looking for 3 beds, 2 bath, or 2 beds, 2 bath? What are you looking for?
2 beds, 2 bath.
2 beds, 2 baths. And your price range? What price range are you looking at?
Well, may I run 3 bank with some loan right now?
You can do the 200,000 or 300,000. Depends on what your budget is.
Okay, well, may I go through a transaction with the bank right now if you get a loan. So as soon as me get it, me will link you and make you know what is what. Plus, my father they over there, so he pay rest of money.
So your dad's gonna do co-sign with you?
Yes.
Okay, so I work in the Palm Bay area, and it's called the Space Coast, and it's Brevard County, so that's my area.
Okay, alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Give me a call when you're ready, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye. Call my dirty pa you know. What's my phone man? Daddy. Hello. May I go come over? May I go come over? Remember you told me say you want me to come over?
Yeah, come take over things, no?
I want me talk to our real estate agents and me want buy one house and a 300,000 for it. And I hit me one more you buy me hit.
No problem, man. As long as you come over, we take over things.
Alright, so I'm going to send you lady number, I can talk to you lady, and then finally somebody come over. You hear me say?
Where are you? You never for me?
No, I'm going to come over. I'm going to use my brain and over there, the house I sell. Over there, house I go there.
Oh, alright. I'll send it there. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Your thing, doctor.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm going to use brain for you.
Yo, you move from what day?
No.
Since from what day, mama, it's like me. Cause before, a couple weeks ago, we good. No, since lately, you know, tell me good morning, you know, you just move for
I just see pregnancy hormone, man. Them a kick and they make me feel like I want to stay by myself. Or if me talk, or if I say nothing to me, I cuss you. So instead of me cussing, I just start move by myself. And you have to try to understand. And then the man tell me I have this morning sickness business. And if you talk to me, I'll cuss you. When a woman pregnant, they're angry. So you have to just give me my space until all my hormones they go.
Alright, then. I'm not sorry with you.
Exactly.
Alright. Come, let's say I want there for something different. But since I explain yourself, that is it.
I just see pregnancy, man. You know pregnancy. You know pregnancy go?
No, I don't know. But if you say I saw you go, I saw you go. I saw you go. Alright?
Yes, no. Yeah, I want to know if the loan go through and everything perfect. Fire!
Yeah.
Why you make up so much nice for?
There's a sing girl, alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Boy, if you don't want to be with this man, you hurry up and be already.
Yeah, come here, go walk.
Alright, definitely. That's one of the things.
Anyway, as I was saying is me not really want to come and work today. I just want to come pick up the money and deal with what me fi deal with. Yeah, I think me gonna resign too, you know. I'm gonna send him yeah, me I resign because I don't think I want to work this. I don't really work, you know. But me I go through some problem right now. Me don't want to turn in that place anymore. So me I cut out the country. Usman. Fire. No, me not care with me. You not even know me I go nowhere. But before me left, me have something swell, pepper, salt and season down for him, man. Yeah, man, something nice before me go. Yeah. You don't even know what come for him with. Just watch. Never do something to him first. Never hurt him before me left us up. So is everything fine? Alright, may I come that way there now? Alright, thanks. Come on. Pick me up now. Yeah, me have 8 o'clock flight to Florida. Yeah, right now. $8 o'clock. Alright, yeah. Alright.
Yes, Nelly. Oh yeah, gonna come stay up there?
No, I'll go with me out there.
Which one you go?
I go overseas. I can't take this now.
God no?
Yeah, but me know. I tell myself me a good. I don't want to tell myself because me if you find out say mommy and fire a deal again. Yes.
God no.
Me don't know what to do again, so I don't want to go to prison. Me not kill myself sick and no man nor my mother. I understand. So me get one of the farmers over there. So me go move. Me go just nobody with man. Me go just go and you can call me. I call and reach over. So you get me number. Don't give me number.
So for them talk and everything and they say it done and it was a mistake then gone back again and do the something yeah, you would.
Me set up my phone and then I come over here and me left my phone over here record. And me hear every single thing. Me not ask her, me not ask mommy. I just go about my business here. If you want to call me, you call me. Me do anything for you. And me have one extra secret. Tell her. Remember when I come over here in time I tell her say Pitney I don't fear Brittany and Carrie?
Yeah.
I don't fear Pitney. I say if you really want to know if I fear Pitney, go and go ask Brittany's best friend. Tia Nash. I come back out of there, you're not her friend too. I'm Brittany's best friend too. I'm still gonna walk up and all over the whole globe. So go and go ask Tia and I will find out. Anyway, call me here. I'm going.
Me call.
Alright.
So, I want to come pick you up?
Yeah, you want to pick me up.
Alright.
Alright.
Tiana. Which part you there? Yeah, come get your link right now over here. Yeah. Nothing. Why you come and go and shop to me?
I'm just like, my family, you know, I feel good, you know, say, at night, I know, say, pregnant, you know, so I can't go up on the road and, oh yeah, I can't go up on the road, I can't go, you know, so I don't feel,
So where you go eat?
you know, so my bed.
Come, buy something for cook or something.
Tell us I'm pregnant, I
Let's say
can't
buy
walk.
something for cook.
So why you behave like that? Can I get home? In case I'm on
Nothing to take up on the road. Go on. I would have to text you.
nobody know I text me, speak, no. I'm a friend, me there talk to brother, stop with the car shop. Let me go shop, bloke.
Go on and shop.
Pass the phone now.
Go on and
You
shop.
gonna need the phone like to walk through it down and say, well, me bounce me now, go no shop then. If you look on the phone, I look on the phone and give me back, me go on.
What is it?
Good day. I'm not going to say, you know, I'm pregnant and look how you go on.
Rubbish. You know, say you may just did out call and I wonder why you take so long come in.
There be something wrong. I don't know.
That I really want to ask you what me now. You know what I'm saying? Get to find out say I'm Brittany her best friend. You see me? I mean never know all along. But that's not really what I call over here for now. Me I get to understand say Brittany hide something from me about the pregnancy thing.
So like, oh,
What do you mean?
I don't understand.
Me know when you tell lie, you know. Me your best friend for long, you know.
Alright.
Talk to me.
Tell the truth.
The baby in her belly is not yours.
God knows you would.
Baby in her belly is not yours. You remember the other day when they come over here?
Yeah.
And they tell you something and she come out of her bathroom.
So that did you want to tell me
And
all
that
along?
did want to tell you, but she did come out same time so I couldn't get to tell you.
But Tiana, me your best friend for you long,
understand, so me your best
phone,
friend.
you call me, text me, voice note me, Tiana. You hide there sitting there from you long, man.
Because she tell me if you don't talk.
That not nothing to do with it. Who you know first?
Me know you first.
So you hide things from me. You can't hide there sitting there from me, man. Me and your friend for much years now. You know me before you know Brittany. Call me or text me.
I didn't feel like sorry for her.
Sorry for her. Who you know a long time.
Me know you long time before Brittany.
You hide there sitting there from me.
Reason why?
And you get money and you spend on the on things you don't feel me. And you tell me if you feel sorry for her. Yo, can't believe the backside. Look at my sister tell me the other day, man, and me tell my sister said nothing like that, that's some prank thing.
Remember, so me did come to tell her the other day and she flew out of the bathroom.
Yes, Tiana, but when me I try to say you have my number, you know, call me, you know, go man or call me or something, man. Thanks for telling me I know still. God no.
You baby have a Rasta man. The Rasta man over there.
Which Rasta man?
The Rasta man will read your mother and your sister.
God no.
Yeah.
Yo, Thanks.
So we are going to do it now.
Me deal with it. Thanks to them. Me deal with it.
Alright.
Can't believe you hide this from me so long, man.
Later. If I look, you call me and take you.
Yeah.
Baby, take some off the door.
Where's the time saying I'm trying to go by?
Sharp lock.
Oh, you. Yeah, me I said, just pack your things and leave right now.
Why?
Pack your things and leave.
But me carry a baby around
Pack
here.
your things and leave. Which baby you carry? You carry baby to me? Eh? Are you there to take me for brother?
I'm not taking for no idiot. Stop.
You give me jacket, brother.
Me give you jacket?
Rasta man. Listen, don't try to put up it. Because where you hide from me, know everything now.
How you know? You listen to your sister, right?
You listen to my sister, pack your things and leave. Hello, don't touch me. No one said this. No one said this relationship between me and you, the end. We're not together anymore.
But I can't do this to me.
This is what you want to try to say. Come on, tell me that. Hello, it's done. Don't hug me up.
Oh, we can't do a lie at you. You know, you're going to hurt me, Pitney.
Come, leave.
But
leave. You think all of this shit we are doing work done? Leave. Take your things along.
Oh, look at me, I do nothing. Me, you know, me, I do nothing. Me, I do
nothing. Nothing. Just leave. Leave, no man. Just leave, no man. Me, in a day.
Me try my best, me, I do nothing.
Run, no man. See, do it.
You can't.
Go through the door.
You can't do without.
Avoid me. You can't do without you. Avoid me.
Oh, me Pitney, you run me.
You don't have no Pitney. Go give your Rasta man the Pitney. You try pin jacket for me.
Only reason I'm gonna give Rasta man the Pitney unless the Pitney bow with locks and Pitney now bow with no locks, the bow with bars like.
Listen me, I say no. Go on.
I'm breaking up.
You're wicked. Go on.
You know wicked, you wicked, you run me with me and the Pitney, me unborn child.
Oh, you see you everything the earth time I come here. Hold that moment.
Always I forget my key. One.
Yeah.
Then I think get all of the things that I want on the street. If I go back on the street tomorrow, what I want, yes or no. And I get everything.
Not even I wait for you reaching and settle, you know. But something happened tonight.
What one?
I'm really dangerous.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying? I get to find out. Say, your baby, your Britney, I carry it, and I'm mine.
So, Paul, me tell you, say, did I do? Me tell you, say, I want to talk to her one away. At the same time, I said to her, you know, and I said, I never go tell you, I wait until the baby born, but now that you find out, I never feel that way either. Because from you and she get back, me and watch her. And her side, you know, we can't see one little change in her body.
To be honest, mommy, I just done with this relationship business. It no matter how I try, I still get hurt. I have too much fake people around me. I don't like that near mommy.
Oh, you find out? Who tell you?
Mommy, I really don't want to talk about it. I second time now, you bring back her to me and tell me say me and her have to fix things. And she can't give me jacket, mommy.
It's hard. The amount I hurt. It's really hard.
I even did heal from where brown in the door. I not heal. Me still hurt up to now. Too much things from my brain, mommy. Probably me ain't that one strong you, me kill myself or something. You probably would have come in and come see me lie down dead or something, mommy.
So you see her, she talk about it?
Me just in a relationship, me can't bother with it. It don't make sense me and her I go in a relationship and she a lie to me. You see, she come to me and sit down and talk to me and say, you know, say to be honest, the baby and her years, you see me? Then would have look funny and probably would have think over it and say, alright then, since as a father not there then, maybe me can take up the role and go and play then. But she come and she a style me, she a use sides, she a disrespect my mommy.
That's not right. That's very totally 100% and more disrespectful.
And listen, you see, if me talk about father too, you know who are the father, mommy? I better not tell me who are the father.
Who?
Fire off the said man I get you pregnant.
Lord Jesus have mercy, God, about this. No, sir, this is not too much. So, me a breed, she a breed, my daughter a breed, and the same man pick the one man
You
pick
talk
me.
about daughter. You know which part Shelly they know?
What she there?
Shelly come to me since night and say I go overseas.
And Shelly not tell me nothing? Jesus, Father, God in heaven, Lord God, what is me do? Oh my God, this is too much. Shelly gone foreign?
Yes.
And not say nothing to me?
Mommy, she said she know why you know.
Why she hide such a thing from me? Because I think everything cool and me and she so long reason about everything. Me feel everything cool. No, sir, this is too much. Jesus have mercy, this is too much stress. I can't carry this, man. They make me pressure, me pressure.
Take time, calm down.
Lord have mercy, God in heaven. No, sir. No. She left anything for me?
No, Shelly not left anything for you, mommy. Me tell her Shelly know, like Shelly know why you know nothing know go on me.
Jesus, what kind of mistake?
How Shelly did feel it for you?
Joshua look how long, Lord have mercy. God look how long me sit down with the tongue raising up good. How me get myself in this mix up here?
You know what, mommy?
Where did I go wrong?
No, try to sleep off this because you understand. Me just try to clear my mind. That's some evil thing that step on my mind right now. God
You know, say after when the father gone in, enough man, good man to him, man would have take care of me and holding and me decide say no. Me nah do it. So me see the reason why me a push you in a relationship and so me did it when my papa gone.
And look, mommy, me know why you tell me.
I talk to you years, you know.
Me know why you tell me. Me know why you call Brittany and tell me say you try to fix things. Me know why fix nothing with her. It done. Me and her done.
But this
I try to take some things down. I don't know mommy, but she leave 1 year from it. So I don't know. Me I will asleep.
Alright, in the morning.
Leave it there, fix them.
Ah boy, I'm so this.
Ready? Yeah, man, put it down to the ground, man. So if it's that you want to support the movements, the number is provided there, right? And remember, we still have the Airbnb. So if you're flying in from anywhere in the world and you want to spend a couple of days at JAMMIWOOD, you know what I mean, to interact with the star there, man, you know what I mean, and be a part of the, they have a foreign program, you know what I mean, where special fans can come and be a part of the movie, you know what I mean, yeah man, because it's a movement, so if you want to see yourself in one of the movie them, just contact me, nobody there, so just make the link, you know what I mean, pass through, you know what I mean, it's there, you know what I mean, so call and set a reservation and they can know what go on. It's a war though, we are fighting still, you know what I mean? So look out for the live, because I'm supposed to push out a live on idea them still and we talk about more stuff. But there's a lot of burning issue going on in my country where not so nice, you know what I mean? But we still try to make it look good, you know what I mean? Yeah. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, but if you're in the American region and you look for one G-Mouse, you know what I mean? The info you get it right there, so. And you see she have a part in the movie too. So call her up, man. You know what I mean? Miss Elliot, you know what I mean? Nice lady. Burn it down to the ground. You can sort out a nice G-Mouse here. You know what I mean? You and your family can enjoy. No matter where you come from in the world. They want a house in America, in the Florida region, or anywhere else. I think she have connection to. Just talk to her. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. And if you're in the Florida area in America, anywhere in America, sell or buy house or anything like that, this lady is a lady that deal with that, you know, so I like for you to get in touch with her, check out our website, you know what I mean, because so we have to encourage each other. So if you want a house to buy or sell, I think say the best person for you to talk to, you know what I mean, Hyacinth Elliot, you know what I mean, yeah man, tell her say me send you, you know what I mean, contact her. Our number is there too, you can call her and talk to her, you know what I mean, and go up on our website and all these things, you know what I mean. Burn it down to the ground.
Them like the system highlighting. Single mama does try, and the system still fighting. This is the land of wood and water, but no future for the sons and the daughter. You know, me no know what the system really offer. Your mother been through the worst to give you the best, and everything she tries, still no happiness.
Been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try, there's still no happiness.
No happiness.
I cry at nights when y'all are sleeping. The joy I feel inside when I see y'all eating.
Yes.
Oh Lord, I've tried, still ends not meeting.
You better know.
I've turned to men, here comes the beating and cheating. As a single mom, it's hard out here.
Rough out, yeah.
People in high places making decisions, they don't care. I've cried for mercy, no one hears. Get your education, help yourselves out there.
Your mother been through the worst to give you the best, and everything she tries, still no happiness. Sing for them, mommy.
Been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try is still no happiness. I've been through the worst to give you the best. Everything I try, there's still no happiness.